Me are the son of Super Cat and the daddy, me are the wicked Apache. And you hear that? Me are the son of Super Cat and the daddy, me are the wicked Apache. No anything try to test it, I got the damn berry. Scalp off your head top and hang it on a tree.
I am here vibing with one of St. Mary's supremely talented musical sons. A man who scored significant success in the dancehall space in the early 1990s. His parents named him Raymond Hudson, but we know him as
Apache Scratchy.
Principal.
Blessing, great one.
Great one. The great one, man.
No, man, you're the great one, man.
As before just say, I do some work. You know what I think? It's a job still in the man's presence. You know what I mean?
Jano.
St. Mary to St. Mary, man.
Oh, my
Lord.
Lord.
Man. What talk about that? That's your word, man. That's your word. That's your word.
How you feel when teach them shuffle and deal out no fail? When we shuffle and deal out no fail? When teach them shuffle and deal out no fail? Under that, Bangkok. Say Bangkok, Bangkok, Bangkok. But the 16, then we have it pan. And the 4, 5, 7, we got it on.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Yeah, DJ, you say all is well?
Well,
Man,
could have be better.
Man, look young and sprightly.
You know, say that could I make me get rich, but I have billions.
When people tell us,
When
people tell us that regular.
Since we come to Jamaica.
Yeah?
My Lord of mercy.
Welcome home, man.
What can I say?
How long you out in our street?
A good while, I know.
A good while. Welcome home, man. Welcome home, man.
Blessing, my brother.
Man.
Blessing.
Talk to us, though. Early life. Place of birth.
Place of birth, you know, up on the paper, say Port Maria
Port
Hospital. St. Mary,
Yeah, man.
as you know.
I will place that.
I will place that, man.
Yeah. How many brothers and sisters?
No brothers.
No brothers.
4 sisters.
4 sisters.
That was Prince and Queen, and you know what I mean? And then the king.
And your sisters are still alive?
Yeah, man.
All of them.
4, yeah,
It's
man.
a blessing, that man. The old man and old lady still with us?
The old man passed, you know.
Okay.
But the old lady still around. Big up yourself, Mama Merv. Bless you up. Love you to death.
My condolences really the passing of the old man.
Yeah.
Yeah, schooling though, where you attended school.
All right, hear this now. I get basic school,
Okay.
then I get all age school.
Okay.
Then, you know, we get the common entrance thing, and then St. Mary High School.
Mary's Eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you
Yeah.
move on from
Yeah,
this.
man, I could deal with the schooling, because we
Alright.
pick up back some things as we go along. But yeah, man.
Seeing. And then 2 years, up to 3 years, third farm, at St. Mary High School, then Calabar.
Calabar.
No, sorry, Woolmas.
So Woolmas was before Calabar?
Yeah. Woolmas.
So
was before.
Woolmas, then Calabar.
Then Calabar.
Oh, we are gonna pick up the Calabar and Woolmas thing
Same.
further down the line, yeah?
Simple.
Back in St. Mary in Port Maria. And where you actually grew up though? In a Port Maria?
No, I never grew up in Port Maria.
Which way you grew up?
I get most.
Highgate.
Yeah.
What was it like growing up back then though, financially speaking?
I want to tell you, say, you know, financially, we never rich, you know, but we're not short of nothing.
Food was on the table?
Yeah, man, food on the table.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah,
Glad
definitely.
To hear that.
See?
Yeah? So, growing up in St. Mary now, back in the days, how the musical vibration start, you know what I mean, come about? Like, how you end up down the road there?
I want to tell you something. I think it's in Barn, but while growing up in the Highgate there, you have a man named Delroy, he have a son named Sir Lee.
Sir?
Sir Lee.
Sir Lee.
L-A-Y.
Oh, Sir Lee.
Yeah, but those days it was tube amps.
Okay.
But I was so fascinated by how the amps look. It have this whole heap of light and the front of chrome.
Okay.
So that always
Draw your attention.
draw my attention, you know what I say? But I'm going to start doing this because Delroy brother now, Patrick, I'm a brethren. So I usually go and see him string up the sound. String up the sound and then I listen to music and things. So that's how it all started.
Yeah, but even before that though, were you hearing anybody on the radio or in the dancehall space where really and truly give a vibe and you say, yeah man, you know me like that's something I don't like to be like that?
Not really, you know.
Okay.
The man who I used to listen to, I used to hear Ranking Trevor.
Ranking Trevor.
Yeah. Some Savila Rock and Caveman Skank. You know, before me even start DJ.
Okay. So there was no DJ in the space where you look on and say, yo, I go want to be like that man one of them time, you know.
Not that time.
Not that time.
Not that time.
So Surly, you know, and back then in St. Mary, which were the big sounds around in St. Mary at the time?
At that time, you know, it was Surly, you know.
Sir, okay.
That time, some sound come up after.
After. Surly, you know, is that a sound that was based in a club called Zara Club?
After too.
After.
Yes, it is though. It is.
Okay.
Yeah, it is definitely. Yeah.
So when you started going around the sound, how old were you at that time though?
Them time that mirror side thing, you know.
Mirror
so
high
you're
school.
very young, yeah.
Probably
Young,
12,
young.
13 them
Probably
time there.
so.
12, 13. What was it like initially going around? Was a situation where you go there and you get mic early or you have to wait?
No, I never into the mic.
Oh, you never into? You're just fascinated with the
Yeah,
amps?
and the brother.
Oh, and the
of
brother,
the
and your
owner.
brethren.
I'm a virgin, so we're watching him setting up, string up.
Yes.
Them time you run wire to the box and, you know.
So you'll enjoy the mechanical process behind the whole setting up and thing.
Because the sound never have no DJ neither.
So never on a DJ?
Them time it's just a play music and
okay.
it's nice. Until further down.
Till further down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
In further down, a youth from Waterhouse call himself Nikayu.
Nikayu.
Big up yourself, Nikayu.
Nikayu sound like you, Brown?
No, sound like you, Brown.
Oh.
Him sound like you, Brown. Them time there.
Think I kind of hear about Nikayu still.
Him have some connection with Lee, so he usually come in on the sound. And him not DJing a long time now, you know.
Okay.
He's a man who start two things, but being sounding like you, Brown, is a big thing.
Oh, okay.
So I always admire, you know, the works that him do. And that is how it started.
Oh, okay. So Nikayu was one of the man I know what kind of give the vibration there. If you start holding the mic.
Yeah, but it was Rankin Trevor me I listen to.
Rankin Trevor.
That's it? I listen to Rankin Trevor them
somewhere in the research, I see where it says you used to pattern, well, not necessarily pattern, but you used to DJ a lot of Brigadier lyrics.
Yeah, man. It's after Nika.
After
Yes.
Nikayu.
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me now. How Nikayu now kind of lead you down to wanting to hold the mic and what that journey was like early outdoor?
I want to tell you it was a good vibe, you know, because Nikayu talking like you, Brown. And I used to listen to Rankin Trevor. And Rankin Trevor music, I listen to Sabla Mark, Caveman Skank. I kind of love how Rankin Trevor sound. So when I hear Nikayu now, sounding like you, bro, it's like a same type of pattern.
Same type of pattern.
Yeah. So, long after me really take out the mic, you know.
Long after?
Yeah, man. It's like when the dance done. Actually, the dance is done because them dancer was no, certainly never playing no big dance like, you know. So, when the dance kind of trickle down, and record I go pack up and all them things there. I saw me just take up the mic. And take up the mic and so Patrick was kind of surprised. Because me and the man there is every day and the man never knows some other voice like this. So the voice is what get them.
The voice?
Yeah.
So let me answer this now. Because it is well documented that you have a super cat sound. Was it that sound that you had from the beginning?
From the beginning.
From the beginning.
From the beginning.
Was that a deliberate thing like someone want to sound like the Apache?
No.
Or it just happened?
That are the sound.
That are the sound.
We have from the beginning. Because long after I link up Apache, you know.
Right, yeah man, we kind of understand that. I just want to know if, you know, you adapt the voice later or it was from the beginning?
From the beginning. It was a younger voice but flowing same way. Till, you know, mature voice now. But that time, flexible.
So you're around Surly now and you practice little a holy vibe and then something there.
Same. That was it. And then after, some little sound started to develop.
Around the place.
Someone go up on a farm work and bring 2 hams and 2 things. The sound started and next man have a sound up there so and the man have a sound down there so. Some little thing, you know?
Right.
Because Surly is still big. So I start to
move around.
Right around. See, you love the business, you know? So, yes, sir.
So now, going around, still learning the things, still getting a vibration, and still, because them time the Surly are your own sound, basically.
Yeah.
Were you being paid any at all around Surly?
Not that time.
It's
when we start to really DJ the rest of sound them now. Miss kind of coming like a community DJ now. So every dance now, I'm going to start building lyrics. You know,
start building
lyrics? No, I start listening to Brigadier. and Nicodemus.
Short man.
Yeah, yeah.
So them the man the lyrics I use.
No, I use Briggy.
Briggy.
Not Demus.
Not
But I start listening to Demus and kind of like how Demus one of me I say, Jaja, this are the man, you know.
That are the man.
That are the man. You see me I say?
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah.
that are the man.
So,
Yeah.
so whilst in high school, you were able to go to the dances, see me?
You know, as a roughneck,
You
like I'm
have,
often.
you have to jump out more
I jump
time.
out. I jump
Good way
out.
thing go.
But I want to tell you, you know, me have a little crew, you know. Back then,
Right.
school youth, so I understand where I'm surrounding, so we have like about 3. The whole of with us. It's a team. We are going to dance, we're going to dance.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
If we're going back, a problem.
I don't for the man that go through that little
Yeah, man,
situation.
serious thing.
there.
Yeah, man, serious thing.
So, Surly, you know, was a son where you cut your teeth pan, so to speak. You sharpen your mind, learn from and deliver and all a vibe. See, eventually, you moved on from Surly?
Yeah, because there was other community sound coming up now.
Okay.
Right? Remember me telling you that earlier was like a tube bomb. This little sound that was coming now, them have gone to transistor.
Them have upgraded things.
Yeah, have echo chamber now and all these things. So you have a little set named Cool Vibes.
Cool
But
vibe.
before that it was Echo Force.
Okay.
And the same Echo Force in New York right now. You know.
Okay.
That's where it started from. You see it?
So it was Echo Force first.
Cool Vibes
Cool vibes.
and Atlantic One.
Yeah, I know about Atlantic
Yeah.
one. For sure.
Hey man, I mean bring them sound, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. We are the man for them sound.
So you were the only DJ around those sounds at the time. St. Mary DJ, that is.
All right, hear this now. At that time, they get so... Because I want to tell you a teacher. Before when I say apprentice, I sound like a chemist already, you know.
Yeah.
No, seriously. It's not like me go through, like how someone else ever do this. No,
Right.
me was just accepted. So when I started DJ Cool Vibes now, and Echo Force now, it's like me a mature DJ already. With Brigadier lyrics, and I start adding a little 2 and 2 thing now. But you have, after, you have a youth from another band named Color Ranking.
Color,
Yeah,
right?
but Color Ranking.
Yeah, man, I know about Color.
Yeah. Him did sound like Ranking Trevor.
Okay.
Right? And then you have Church Amount now, he's call himself Curry Culture.
Curry Culture.
Then Jimari come after.
Jimari, okay.
Come after.
Familiar with Jimari.
After.
Familiar with the name, right?
Come here, the man where
A lead
I
out.
take on the thing first, right? Yeah. Then them youth they come, and they have a few little more youth, like some of them I don't remember, but
Right.
it was
So that's
Jimari.
on the Highgate Portmore side, because
Highgate.
further down the road down, so now you then have Slim Brown and some other man, Bobby Culture.
That a dumb so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
But
that
so
dumb
let's
so.
talk about
Yeah.
your side up so first, see?
Yeah.
And you were the one DJing Atlantic one for a while.
Yeah, 'cause-
Nobody else ever did that.
No, because I remember when sound used around them time, you know, have no DJ. You know, play a whole dance with a DJ.
Okay, okay.
But because I become so popular around all of them dances, we just pass through
And get the mic.
and get the mic and DJ. They never have no DJ, but through me so popular around the
Right,
place, me go
right.
and DJ.
I think eventually now you ended up on Black Lion.
Black Lion.
Was there a sound between the sound where you just call and Black Lion, or it was from the Atlantic one and
I was a DJ some little more sound
Okay.
on the places, but these are little sound that I used to be more often pan.
right.
They can't anyone them play. Me always
You do
pass
that?
through. Yeah. I mean I get paid now. I think me I get no pay now. It's
Right.
just the love of the
love
music
of the
and we have a
music.
little crew and we go and we just dominate. Black Lion sound now is when the craft kind of step up a little bit now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then this dread from Canada buy a sound and bring it down. Right? And have it on a Robbins Bay.
Okay.
On a Robbins Bay. But film sound put together because it was, I must say, sound upgrade.
Right, right. Film thing modern.
Modern. And actually, you have a brother named Bar, which is in brother-in-law. Right? 'Cause Black Lion, they have some bike.
Okay.
So Bar come one night and say, hey, you're going to bring you around our Robbins Bay, you know. Because we have a sound around there, you know. Just like that. Bar, big up yourself, Bar. We jump on the bike and we go around there. And we go around and we hear the sound. We go around and go hear a youth named, in the England now, Java Culture.
Okay.
And Skipper Logan.
Skipper Logan.
Yeah. And one more youth, you know, I can't remember the other youth. But listen this. When I go around there, preacher piece too. You know preacher?
No, I don't know a preacher.
Him call himself Ras something there now. I can't remember now. Further probably
Okay, yeah, probably
remember.
in fact him nowadays name me ring a bell still.
Rasta
but-
up man there. I'm a Rasta now, but them time there it was a accountant.
Okay.
You see? So we go around there. And me have a little yellow Mazda. And I go up on the bike, but him drive and come and go around there. Come here, follow us out, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, you're a DJ.
Yeah. And we go around the Robbins Bay, teach them, and I tell you, say, you come like the sound make for me.
Oh yeah?
The mic stage make for me.
Mic stage, nice.
Because the man have a nice echo chamber, you know. I see me go on there, did a little while, go up and touch the mic. The man astonished that I come like the mic stage make for me. See, and I dance, you know. Them only play in a little place
Right.
where them exercise the sound. And it just bring people to say, oh, this a DJ around here, so. And the dread come to me and say, yo, listen, why if a DJ sound, you know.
Oh, okay.
So it's the first time you actually get paid.
Okay. Cool,
But
man.
and that does as a testing.
Yes,
And we
yes,
have problem down the line to get paid too. That's what I say. You see,
Yeah.
teach, a lot of problem down with that.
Yes.
But me never mind.
But what were you being paid when you get paid?
Right. You want to hear?
Yeah, man.
$30.
$30. $30 a night. Okay.
$30 a night. But before we reach this, so, a problem.
And you were like 13, 14?
No, I passed this now.
You passed this
Yeah,
already?
man, I passed
Okay,
13, 14.
okay,
Round up
okay.
now. Yeah, in my teens I go up there.
But at this time now, you're the man who emerge out of Highgate, St. Mary, as the bad DJ.
As a bad DJ. Because remember, you know, remember now, Junior Demas down the same, you know. But in
Cable ranking.
the rise up yet, him dip on a different section, and me around this a turf. Keep it on the rise at night.
Right.
See it? And me the man around here, so.
See, Priest.
See it?
So you on Black Lion now, you get
Yeah,
more and more
all right, listen what
confident,
now.
more and more, your name will go out further and further.
Because I find a sound that was a sound. Is a sound.
Echo?
No, Echo after.
Okay.
Black Lion was
Oh,
a
Black
sound.
Lion is a
yeah,
sound,
it's a
okay.
sound, complete sound now we can say, yeah. I'm a sound powerful.
Big sound.
Big sound, my sound powerful. So Dread say, they go work. So Dread promote some dance now. Back then time when sound come, the man hire them promote because that they make money. Yeah.
Yes,
I
yes.
make money, so him promote. Can bring down some big bike and thing, you know. So it's a sound when now
Out there.
and him have a crew. So he make some dance now. Right? This is how me running a President Brown
Great, Slim Brown.
and Professor Frisky. Them two DJ there, the dread make he make a dance and Yuatan come in the center.
Oh, okay.
You see it? And being DJ, while DJing around the year of Black Lion, you find some more DJ like you go to some years and
come
DJ
through.
get a talk off of the mic and things. I said you around.
That's how you go, yeah, man.
Yeah. And I saw we meet Professor Frisky now and Slim Brown. Yeah. But a problem to get paid from Barry. That's what I say.
Yeah, man, this way I
The
say.
son go, I remember say we are young youth them time and the
Right.
son go play Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And nothing.
Hold on now. Look, we get something, but how long it take to get something?
Oh, okay.
Remember say the base of Robbins Bay now, I'm in
Right.
the Highgate.
So you still have to move between the two locations.
We can't see the dread, we're going back on next Thursday before we get a little thing. I mean, we never do none of them things there for me a youth. You see,
Yeah, defend yours.
the craft, a bill. People start to love me out there. You understand? When we start DJ Black Lion so when I
Yeah.
start to explore. You understand? Can we play up what's Slim Brown live again up at the place there?
Which part that?
You know, no Rockabessa.
Exchange?
Exchange. Our Frisky here, we play up there so.
Okay.
Yeah. And then one brother here me now they have a son here in Jamix.
Jamix.
The man
So
here.
Jamix, you know, because I think Jamix, there was some link between Jamix and
Jamis, yes. The brother there, I Jamis too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They have a
Cool,
great
man.
link. I don't know if I'm a family, but there's a link there. So I play all,
All the Jamix don't play them.
go play them. You can play all them songs there. Him get to play.
So
So,
good as family, man.
Yeah,
They
they're good.
have to research that thing. I hear about the sound, you know.
Yeah, man.
I mean, ESN used to play a lot of Jammies.
and him try to
Tune,
sound,
you know.
him sound try to be like Jamis. With the same thing they link and them thing. The same kind of
Jamix. Where was Jamix based?
up in the exchange.
Up in an exchange. Eh?
Yeah, man. Professor Frisky lives down at the bottom there, so. You see? So when I run into Slim Brown and thing, I say, boy, that DJ sound like you, bro. That mess in my mind, you know.
Yeah, man.
Sound good. So I said, Barry Dread, But you couldn't stay up on the sound because the whole thing I go wrong.
Money not run.
Yeah. But my wife from them time is still.
Yes.
You
So you move over from Black Lion now to Jamix, no?
Me no move. I start DJ Jamix. I'm a DJ Black Lion.
Okay.
I'm a DJ Tyrant.
Tyrant.
And what the other one name? I'm a DJ about 4 sound right
Okay.
now. Me just depend on the sound. Because I left Surly them drop down in the class now.
Oh, they dropped.
Yeah, different sound rise up now.
Where was Tyrant based?
Fort Maria.
Fort Maria.
Up on one place named I don't remember the road to teach them. But the
Okay.
Fort Maria
Fort
come
Maria.
out and go up on the road there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you know we are trying to line up the history. You understand what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
Fort Maria still.
Yeah,
Fort
man.
Maria.
Let's say a word, man.
Yeah, man.
So now Jamix was the next sound we add to the catalogue going
Yes,
forward.
yes.
And you say Frisky and Slim Brown was on Jamix.
Then there was Frisky was stable.
Okay, but Slim Brown
No.
just passed through.
Pass through. You know what I mean? He just pass through down the sun.
See, pray.
Yeah, man.
And at this time, what name I go by?
Principal Scatchy.
Principal Scratchy. So hold on, so it wasn't Scratchy before Principal.
It was Scratchy,
Scratchy.
with Surly them and them set
So
there.
all the Scratchy combo.
I want to tell you this, it's a drama. You remember some karate show where you come out and as a karate show man you come out there, you know?
Okay.
Right? All right. We used to watch karate show. Then I'm virgin them. And then, I can't remember which one of them, but you have this guy, this Chinese guy, that give a lot of joke and the thing.
Okay.
Right? And me kind of watch him and I patronize him at the same time. So my brother just say, Scratchy.
Scratchy.
As simple as that the name stick on, you know.
So Scratchy was the first DJ
First
name.
DJ name, Scratchy, not that on it.
And then,
No stripe.
and then they move over to Principal Scratchy.
Principal.
At what stage the Principal come on? Before Echo Vibration days?
Before, but I went there with Echo Vibration. I went with Principal. Echo
Principal.
Vibration.
So
Yeah.
all you add are now the Principal to the Scratchy.
And me at the time,
And you add it on.
No, people again at the time.
Yeah? Why they add it on?
All right. Them time there, Charlie.
The Principal.
Yeah. But at the same time, now, we cannot get bad now, you know.
Name a Bill.
Yeah, name of Bill. And then Charlie and Josie. Out of them time there. They might run things them time there.
Colonel and the
Yeah, man, I
Principal.
run things them time there. Every dance, like, them time
Them
there.
time there.
Yeah. So, a man call, I can't remember who called the principal, you know.
And it just stick.
I can't remember if I Jabos.
Okay.
Jabos was a man called it and he just. You see, them time there, a man put a name on you, he just stick on.
Just stick on.
Stick on.
So the man named Principal Scratchy, you know.
I'm do a lot of damage with principal.
A lot of damage?
Yeah. A lot.
So now, eventually, Echo Vibration came into the picture.
After me done with
Jamix.
Jamix and everything there. It was you know Echo come in the business. Echo come play Highgate earlier school, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Because Echo come from Greenwich Farm, you know.
Right, yeah man,
See?
yeah man.
But for some reason
Some
now,
and the whole of them man, the
Yeah.
finance used to run the sound.
But for
Philip
some
Fraser
reason
and the
now-
whole of them man there.
for some reason now, Echo left Greenwich Farm and come to Stuart Town.
Oh, me never know that.
Yeah, man. They don't them there. It used to name something like that headquarters, HQ. Yeah, man. Dexter come buy. I didn't buy
Father
and rent,
Dexter
but
Campbell.
him left.
Father Dexter, I been a try call him and now get up on your phone. So somebody he knows me I try to find him now, please.
Dexter is a whole heap of part of my journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's sound come base. So hold on now. You DJ and the sound before it base a Stuart Town or after it base a Stuart Town and
it
DJ?
just come to Stuart
Just come
Town.
a Stuart
But I
Town.
never know about that.
Oh, okay.
He come play the Highgate early at school. You see it? Because you know them time, you know me kind of.
What's it?
Yeah. So any sound, no
You
care
have to
which
get
sound
the
you play,
mic.
come Highgate, me play. Me have to teach you.
I can have a look of bad man persona
Well,
back then though, bro.
Listen this carefully. You know, it's not, I wouldn't say bad man thing. It's just
Street youth.
a street youth and
Street-
then
street
you have
smarts.
crew behind you.
Oh, you have some general.
Yeah, some general.
afoot.
General
We
afoot.
do it thing, go on.
So
We do
it no
thing.
matter who they're there.
You have to get the mic.
Yeah, and when me get the mic, it's a different forward. So me think did.
No fear, yeah, people are artists,
Yeah,
man.
yeah. Put it that way, you know. So yeah, man. So Echo Vibration playing at Highgate School. At time dance was keeping us cool.
Cool, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And we go down there. Rest in peace, Pudgy. I don't know if you hear about Pudgy.
No.
That's a Terrence, the MP, TG, the MP for St. Miriam time there.
Okay.
Son.
So, okay.
Yeah, he have a bakery up. Remember they usually run the place sometime there. You know what I mean?
As in we grew up St. Miriam, but another side there.
Yeah.
So we're not really familiar with all of the people more the Highgate side. You understand?
Yeah.
We just know the place there.
Vibration played down with my brother, and I went with my crew, Pudgy. Them time Pudgy are the man, so when him go a dance, 2 box, 3 box, chalice of smoke, and that was the thing. So you can know so them man are in the dance. Because box are in the and box are this and yeah. So I went to the dance. Listen, this good enough. When I went to the dance, it was Peter Rankin. Rest in peace, Peter Rankin.
General Lucky.
Because me and Peter Rankin end up to do some song later on.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of live in Canada too, right?
Okay.
Lucky. Little U Brown. Little Raymond.
Philip Fraser was around them time there. Sammy Dread.
It's a portion of big artists that run into. Them and small artists, all from farm.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But guess this. Who do you think was the selector for the sound?
Hold on. Echo Vibration.
Yeah.
Them time the Philip Fraser. Soulja.
But before,
Anthony Hamilton.
listen this now. Before that, Soulja did play a sound named Soul, Village Soul Merchant.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Soulja was a DJ too, you know.
Yeah, man. I kind of hear that along the line.
I tell you teach him.
Yeah.
Soulja was a DJ. So, I run into him already from Village Soul Merchant.
Okay.
Village Soul Merchant play Highgate too.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So you did know him from that time there?
I don't really know him.
Oh, but you see him them time?
There. You know what I mean? And take a one talk of a village. Because a village was a soul sound like.
Right.
And then play some
Soul
rubber and
Merchant.
DJ, yes. Soulja. So when we go to Vibration now, Highgate School room. A Soulja play the sound. You see me? And one of the artists. Because at one point, I reach up there for the mic, you know. But the mic have so much farm artists. Now put farm artists. On the mic, reach. And Soulja play the sound and Soulja come in like say I play. If you look so, I look so. You see me? Look. It's kind of a bad man thing to get the mic from Vibration, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Pick up myself, dog, rest in peace too. Yeah, you know what I mean? So the man must say, you know, no violence still, but the man must say, right now, watch out. We DJ up there now, you know. Peter Rankin. Mike goes to the Mike goes to Peter Rankin, he said, no, like, something about to happen. Because the man must screw now, you know. Man, if you call him a screw, and him pass on the mic to me.
Okay.
It's the best thing you've ever done, the worst thing for them.
Yeah.
You don't believe me? It's
Best
the best
thing
thing and the worst thing for them because when I hold the mic and the voice come out again teach him, Dexter find me immediately come around the sound. Dexter. And say, look good for the youth and say, you want to talk to me after. Because it's in just come and set me like him look.
Artist.
Yeah. And that's nice night there and Soulja, you know. You know what I mean like there? DJ them cool off and me and Soulja alone on the sound.
Okay.
Boy along 3-4 o'clock and Soulja play not but some studio one, you know.
So you take over the dance?
Take over the dance. Because town man come to country, girls and thing and all.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. So, they get to exercise wicked. And Soulja play pure studio one. You see me?
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm after? Dexter say, yo, yeah, man, I want to be on the sound. But when him said that, it never happened at the same time, you know.
Okay.
Because I there and roll it too, you know. Yeah, because I start making a little money now here and there and there. So anyway, I go now a little thing I run. You understand what I say? I never really think about stable.
It's on the food.
Yeah. So, he tell me that, and about a month after.
So it was about a month after him tell us he want you on the sound, the thing work out.
So what happened now is that him have the HQ. So I'm usually keep a Sunday night thing.
Okay.
A roadblock down there, I start on, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, tell me that. Roadblock down there.
And now, because a lot of the man them when they come the first time, they are tone artists them.
Yeah.
Who were the St. Mary based artists around Echo Vibration?
I'll tell you when me go there now. Because go me I go there now, you know. We decide a month after or more, you know.
Right.
We decide so we go out there. Because I have a thing every Sunday now. And I say me I go out there. Right? Because Stuart Town, that's the place black. That's a my thing this. You know what I say? Yeah, see? Come off. Go in it. All of a sudden now, cause nobody never DJ, because we down there early, you know.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because so me usually think the early and scan out and see what I go on.
Go on.
Then in the night now, come down about the Stuart Town and walk up and down. In the night now, we think me I did the son, when me come back now. Cable.
Ah, Jonah
Cable over
Demus.
there, drive excitement over there.
Cable
I remember
ranking.
say me forward the Stuart Town and me gone early.
Right.
But me gone scan out the area and me all boat and anyway me go me find a brethren. So the forward back now about 8 o'clock. A Jonah Demus in the sun and a DJ named Jabos.
Jabos.
Yeah. And then them have a little DJ down there named Little Irie. The era DJ because the thing.
Right.
Yeah. And I go in there. Seeing. Me never know Jonah Demus in time when I there.
Okay.
Say Cable.
Cable, right.
Yeah, I
Cable
never know.
ranking.
Yeah. But when I forward, come here man sound like Demus now, you know.
Yeah.
You see the way Jonah Demus a DJ now, and a Samuel DJ now.
Okay.
He never find talk and stop yet. Him a DJ like Nico. You see me? So therefore when I go in there and hear the man a DJ,
I think I idol that.
see you know
You
what
see the
now?
pre-man.
You see when I man forward on the sound? Because remember I said Dexter said from work the sound.
Right.
So the soldier play the sound now.
Okay.
Yeah, so the selector for the sound man and he was the engineer at the same time at Channel 1. That's what I said.
Yes.
So yeah, this I know when I found on the dance man, yeah, Jonah Demus man, Cable. And I draw alongside the man. You know what Dexter come and say? I them two man are the DJ for the sound.
Oh yeah?
Are you straight now? Them two DJ are the DJ for the sound. Him no want no more DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me and Jonah Demus, he name Cable every time, me name Principal Scratchy.
Principal
Yeah.
Scratchy.
See it? Two away. And then Echo Vibrations had to play all both. Because we have two young artists so bad. So when you start to spread. When you start to spread out, you know. In that time.
Naturally.
Yeah. And we start there from all both than Jamaica. We become stable DJ and my craft get up there now. Me full of lyrics now, my brother.
You start million one things, man.
And then, rest in peace, Soji. Because Soji have history too, you know.
Yeah.
Soji start to lean to me as the young DJ. Listen to me I say.
Yes.
He never to lean to Demus, he lean to me.
Okay.
It's like him say, yo, you kind of wassy. So he kind of find some selection for me. And so dance around and get a portion of selection and say, anytime you hear me start play this,
You come to the mic.
come to the microphone. That's what my thing said. So me and Jonah Demus go and match the place for a while. All over, me and him telling. I don't see him for a little while. I don't know what take place in Ghana town. And live upon the sound.
Yeah.
And me run the sound. Yeah man, I control the sound around the sound until the sound start to have big DJ come in on it now. But me the stable DJ.
Okay.
You understand?
No, before that,
I bring in Rapper Robert.
Rapper Robert.
Yeah, I bring Rapper Robert.
Okay.
Yeah, I bring a Rapper Robert. Before me even go to song, come I can chop up my thing to you know.
Right.
When I become the stable DJ and Echo Vibration, me and Jonah Demus, our stable singer was Upton James.
You know why I laugh?
Yeah.
Instead of driving today, I hope that me I talk to for the phone and try to convince him to do an interview.
Yeah man, Upton James was a singer man. Upton James
singer
don't know
man.
nothing about Jaro them time and nothing about vibration. You know what I mean? But Dexter never is angling good still with the peer thing.
Okay.
I must have me bad. Yeah,
Oh, next
seriously.
time did that here?
Me did do okay.
You did eat the food?
$70.
Same thing, that not bad.
Yeah,
man.
man, so you, me nice.
Nice.
Because you know what happened to me now. Me develop a thing that teach me, me start, if vibration, I play a Stuart Town, you know. The way me develop my craft, you know. I never got vibration until 11 o'clock, you know. Me go and eat food somewhere else.
Somewhere.
And I craft me
Yeah,
develop.
big DJ though for true.
But Upton James was the singer for Vibration. So it was me, Juna Demos, Jabos, Upton James as the
This
permanent.
The stable artist.
Yeah. Everybody else will come in and
Pass through.
But hear this now. Vibration started to play all about now. Vibration clash with Studio 54.
What are the owner sound there?
On Cornwall Beach.
Okay.
Right? Listen, this good, my brother. Pan Studio 54. They're gonna make you have to look for that DJ named Danny Dread, yeah? Not Reverend Danny Dread.
No, man. So Reverend Danny Dread was Metro Media.
Yeah.
You have a selector named Danny Dread.
And you have a DJ named Danny Dread.
Also know that Danny Dread, was he the one who was on Black Star?
Yes.
Me hear about him, I don't really...
That is the closest man sound to Brigadier. I hear them attack. Him.
Oh! So he then come from Tavern side then?
Up the side there. Bad artist, man.
Closest
Bad
man
artist.
sound like Brigade.
Big up yourself, Danny Dread. See? Yeah. So
You had him there?
him
Are you
there
not
for I don't know if him there
Find
yard
him there?
now. Coming down New York at that time.
Okay.
You know, Papa Sassafras know him there.
Okay, probably
Yeah.
can link Sasa.
Yeah, I know him there. Yeah, man. 'Cause one time I trained him so the same way, you know.
Okay.
When I'm a DJ Jaro, Jim Kelly and him, and you don't even know who up on the mic when you train him back up. That's the
yeah?
thing I tell him, my brother.
Ah,
So hear this now. We go to Mobile, Cornwall Beach. Clash, big clash. On Vibration now, you have me. D must have come in, you know, big D. Junior D must have come in the clash, and Nika D must have come now.
Sharp man.
Yeah. Nika D must have come now. I never know of that.
Right.
You understand?
Oh.
Because me gear for the clash to come here, the man. All right. Upton James, me, and
Nicodemus.
No, Nicodemus. I never know Nicodemus have come.
Okay.
You know what I mean? When the clash happened, listen to this. You Brown and Demus come to the dance. You Brown and Nicodemus come to the dance. You Brown at DJ Studio 54.
Okay.
Danny Tread at DJ Studio 54. Papa Richie at DJ Studio 54. Pants and Sonny at Two Apprentice.
Pants and Sonny.
Two Apprentice at dance. And I don't remember if when the White Mice was there. I remember
Mice.
good. But may I tell you, because Gene saw and Gene have the money.
Yeah, Gene.
You see a vibration on my brother? I saw you, you know.
Yeah.
So you bring Demos, Welton Irie,
Oh, well done. They did
with
that.
me. That's him
Okay.
come in. With me. See?
Yeah.
That's when I prove my skill.
So like 54 dead, so.
Dead, man.
Let's string up you, bro.
Done. Yeah, man. No, hey, vibration, I know easy walk up on my brother.
Yeah.
That's sound there, you know. Vibration full of music, you know. Everything
Like
from
a vibration, a big sound, man.
everything from
Channel
Channel
1.
1.
I got call of them link there and something, man.
I think, if I don't lie, I think Vibration the first sound I play come out. I want to them, I want to special.
Oh, cool, no? Cool,
Could be. I'm not saying about them time. I know what sound I play that. So it bring it forward. So it's a wicked sound selection. And the selection then went pint out for me. I just master them and mash it down. So guess what now? People have to look at which DJ this.
Yeah, because when
That's how come I meet Gene now.
Okay.
Because my thing wasn't
so you end up
normal.
over Studio 54 then, man?
No, after.
After? Okay.
After. Yeah. Because I prove myself in the dance, because my voice fresh and young and it's a difference.
Right.
So, Demus now, found the sound. And Demus didn't even penetrate me good the night there. But him acknowledge me.
Right.
It's when I got Taros, him really changed my name, you know.
Taros at a Portland?
Up at Portland, yeah.
Oh, so that is when it became APACHE Scratchy.
Him at the Demus put it on.
So what let me ask you, next thing now, because I see again, I can't read liquor. In the reading, it said you also went by the name Prophet Scratchy.
I missed that too. Good catch up. That was during Vibration and Jamix.
So the Prophet was after Principal. The man full of names, sir.
Yeah. You're right, brother. Yo, listen to a long time.
We don't look reading, man.
The Prophet left, come after the Principal.
Okay.
Rasta no.
So it was a Prophet into Apache.
But into Apache. But the Prophet never stay long, you know.
The Prophet not stay long?
No.
Okay.
No, the Prophet never stay long. Just stay for a while.
Stay for a while.
Yeah.
And you said now, Nicodemus changed your name to
Apache
Apache
Scratchy.
How that work? How that
All right.
happen?
Yeah, I'm really from 54. He never to acknowledge me down there.
Okay.
All right. Then him go away. That went stir my I'm set to come, you know. Nico gone far now.
Okay.
After him come back in a little charm and thing down, then him a roll.
Me about the job.
Yeah, man, I'm him a roll. So when Demus, when me a DJ down, Demus never name me yet. He just see me as a bad little artist. You know what I mean? So in the morning now, cause you know what's a dancer you go, we dance in the morning, every artist see each other. All of them man say, yo, you're bad, you know. So me I get the youth, you're bad. You're bad, you're bad.
Yeah, man.
Me I get it from you, Brown, me I get it from everybody, say you're bad. You have to come at all, you know.
Okay.
I say if you come at all.
Side.
Well, I tell you the truth, me never interested in that all, you know.
Eh.
Because me a chap around the place, man. I hear about me at all now.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say? I do something today. Yeah, man. So me did this sort of vibration for a while. Running the place and start the DJ Jack Ruby and all. And
Right, yeah. So Ruby was before you go Kingston.
yeah, man. Ruby is my journey during vibration.
Vibration. So you go watch it during the vibration days. Go mash up Ruby, same way.
And then one of them has some little sound I watch it, you know. You have one named Qualitex.
Qualitex.
And you have one around the arm, on a box with the name two little brown it on it. Yeah, man, I chop around
What's the sound now? Yeah?
Can't remember for them sound name. Two of them come from around them.
Okay.
Then DJ down there, you know. Me a DJ them set me a DJ Jack Ruby because them want to pay for.
And Jack Ruby at the time was Bobby Culture, Slim Brown.
Slim Brown, I Chuck Candy.
I Chuck, yeah.
Again, they on the sound. A portion of money they on the sound, you know.
Jack Ruby a big sound back in the days, man.
I never stable upon it, you know.
You just pass through.
I just DJ all the time. Till Jack know me, you know.
My thing.
I tell you something, teacher. When I'm in my journey, my brother, it's like me become a big DJ for me, for boss.
Yeah. So in the dance hall.
In the dance hall, yeah. Because we start associating now with all type of artists now from sound.
So.
Because you have the Virgo, the Gemini, I come and I said, me half a DJ.
And then time the Virgo who? Lone Ranger and them on there?
Lone Ranger, Welton Irie. Welton Irie, what about it, you know?
Yeah, man, I know it was on Virgo.
Yeah, more. But you know, for them thing was a slapness thing. But a long before me. Yeah,
okay.
Before me, yeah. So, vibration make me get the journey of exploring a whole heap of that sound. You see it?
I think Bill.
I think Bill.
Yeah. Is there a situation between, or things between you and Welton Irie? Let me answer that question there.
All right, here this now me and Welton now. And this is a really, and you will get it to the brother. Welton Irie, respect, big up yourself. But Welton Irie, them time they call pirates. In the vibration we know soldier bringing me in, you know.
Okay.
So I'm on vibration from that dance. Which I'll come regular now. But it's a true me the young artists and the fresh artists, it's a water down.
Okay.
Get him forward and thing, you know. But film forward to get 100 and get 1,000,000. Because the slapness thing was going down. So it's like I go on him thing, but we are the king.
Okay.
You know? So most of the time now, the whole dance belongs to me as a DJ. Because my craft come up big, you know, and I can DJ the whole night, you know.
Okay.
And there's something I to teach when.
Pillar to post.
Pillar to post. Exercise. And start do that. Because some dance on me alone.
Oh yeah?
I like current and vibration. Yeah, man. You see it? Because I become that man, you know.
Right.
Yeah. So here you go now. We are Welton a roll. Up on the sound. In my film section, I have mine. You see it? Now, as I tell you, Soji have some selection that he play for me.
Okay.
Every time I hear that, I mean that another DJ about to run in. I'm just craft a thing and then we can link up. So, Soji is play Johnny Dollar.
Okay.
Tam, ta, da, dam, ta. And then they have a Philip Fraser play on it and they have special on it.
Okay.
So anytime you hear that, they step up. Army Life. They make Army Life, you know. Soldier part of my journey with Army Life.
So hold on now. So Army Life is a hit song for Welton Irie. See?
Yeah.
And you see as in you wrote it for him?
I don't write lyrics. I never write it. I'm a DJ, I never write them time.
It's a meds.
I'm good like that. I can just DJ a tune. Because we are rubber dub dancehall DJ.
kinda
So when you play the
trained for
vocal,
that.
yeah,
Yeah, man,
you
trained
listen
for
and DJ. But we develop the song now. Me have to mash up all of Jamaica, you know. Because even when I'm alive, come out and things on me, you know.
Oh.
I never know say Welton did they are taking the thing. Because I not look for that night. And them time, a man per that song never come in like a big thing to me, you know. Them time there. But it's fans take it over. And says a big thing.
Oh, okay.
Some youth usually roll around, I take that and say, yo.
Oh,
But
so there was a
after-
vibe.
Not really a vibe with me. Me Welton on a vibe.
Okay.
But them I say, yo, so and so and so and so. Me Welton on a vibe. No,
Okay.
man, me Welton good man. He just parrot the song. And he take the song word for word. He don't change nothing, the only thing he change the private. He
And
say private Welton Irie, but the whole song of mine. He made the two songs. Even the part, if you miss the trainer, man, girl, you know that time I'm gone. I mean, all of them things I'm put together. Come here, dominate vibration with it. Watch this now.
Soldier was the one who recorded the
Listen
song.
this now. Soji, play the sound. Soji, no says me that. Anywhere in Jamaica we go, I'm here draw that. That's my biggest forward in the dance hall.
Okay.
You see it? So you know what happened now? I didn't not got a vibration for about 2 weeks.
Because of the...
No, not that, not that.
Okay, okay.
And I don't come let them dance past me. Alright? I'm just sorry for a while. The next time I go back at vibration now. You can't spiritual, I know, you know. So something go down, you know.
Yeah.
But still it wasn't a big vibe to me. You know what I mean? It was a big vibe to me, them time there. So they record the song, so they go down to Channel 1. Cause Channel 1 song, you know.
Okay.
And record, even record the song. Welton Irie. Song Boss. You see me? So when the vibe, my brother them take on the thing and I say, yo, I want to go on. Was a soldier one night at Port Murray. I want to dance. See? And we are say, soldier, I want to go down. How comes? And so they never give me no good explanation. Because them time the man there, you know, he must say, boy, Scatchy. He can't give me nothing. He must have grown me. So if them time was a serious time where I take music them way, there would have a problem. But it was not. We just laugh at it and, you know, Welton Irie take the big song. So they say, yeah, me record the song and a Scatchy thing. I'm glad I never get for interview with me now. Can I tell you? And I tell you, say, yo, a Scatchy
Sorry,
thing.
we never get to interview him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Sorry, say you never get to interview him,
him.
my
Yeah,
brother.
that would have been a great interview.
But tell him, because me end up record for him too after.
Yeah, man, because
You
I
see?
know say, him end up around music works.
You see,
One at
but you know
time.
the thing,
we
brother.
soon get round to that. As we say, we are learning the thing,
You
one
know the
interview
thing,
at
you
a
know the
time.
thing,
See?
yeah.
So, eventually now, was that the type of vibe that kind of push you away from vibration, or it was you moving to Kingston?
All right, hear this now. Hear this now.
And hold on, them time they when Welton do this and you know record yet? You know record
No
yet?
record, not
Oh,
yet.
okay.
No record. I never see a studio yet. You see it? I just bad out there. And then I start to associate with all type of tone artists when they forward.
Right.
So I kind of get into the thing. My name a ring. So when Soji record the song and the song Boss, my brother. Song Boss. Big time around Jamaica. Welton feel like say, well, he have a right to feel that way. Him and the man now say he have a #1 song. But he never go there and say, yo, he get the song from APACHE SCRATCHY. He never said that. And I think say, him try to say, yo, can't do nothing.
Right.
It pass and gone, or shall put on the respect on the thing. But me go push it more than that. Because Bourbanton know, Peter Metro know, Juna D must know from my lyrics. You see it? Because Peter Metro even end up doing it, you know.
Oh, Peter
He do a
Clappy
cut
too.
off, yeah. But me and the man for the lyrics.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see it? So, from that time now, me in the street too, you know, DJ the sound too.
Right.
You see it? So they never really push me, I got maybe a DJ vibration here, but not like.
Okay. See the
You
pre.
see? In the probably know next time I start paying me now. Like usually pay me, but I not come and dance now, so I have to say alright, I want you to dance here.
Oh, okay.
Some money. Yeah. I saw coming got because my name, I start go out there now, my brother. My dad Jack Ruby and mash up around them, I do up so, I do on so. My dad a Negril, a Westmoreland, a DJ was set down in Pisces.
Big
so me they run everywhere.
Yeah, man, big sound.
You see it?
Yeah.
And all this happened because I'm a voice now. It's not the tone of lyrics.
Yeah,
And the back of a voice, music and control.
A big voice.
Yeah.
Big voice.
Yeah.
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 So now you said earlier off camera that I think you went to Kingston when you were in third form at St. Mary's High.
Going to third form. Yeah.
What was the reason for you leaving St. Mary? Was it to pursue music or was it a family thing?
No. All right, listen to this now. I'm just saying I have an auntie who live right down at Holiday.
Oh, okay.
Right? Because myself sleepy one day up in the foreigner. Because you come off of my avenue too. See it? And Mary's High now, we can get what did I say, expel?
Oh, okay.
Never going at that.
No, but hold on, no, man. What go on?
What go on?
Is it music related? Because you not go to school or you do something?
No, man, we go to school, man. But
oh, you something go on?
yes.
Yeah, okay, all right. We not go into the detail, but just one, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
At least keep it in on a little level.
yeah, man, I'm good on that, man.
Yeah,
It was
man.
not deep expel, but you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Beside. So now, the Mary's High situation closed, so you had to find another school.
Yeah, but let me tell you
But
something.
why town? Because you have a sort of other school at St. Mary.
I try to tell you about
At St. Anne.
I left out a part of the journey, you know. I used to be coming to town, you know.
Okay.
That part I left out of the thing. We in the town too.
Okay.
You see it? I say I to live there, so.
Right,
So
right.
I usually come in a town and in a town some of the time. You see it?
Yes, man.
Then it started to run out of way. To me go to school and I left school in that town.
Yeah.
I'll show you everything and go back a country by the time into.
By time. It was a really unruly.
So you see me go to school and man and go to Mary's High.
Town there.
Told me there, man. You see? And gone back home. Still,
Yeah.
but I was a year class student still. You know? So I just saw the thing.
I don't say anything. So when you reach Stone side and all,
Zin.
and let me ask you, you left out with the intention to go on next school or you just come to town and you end up at school?
No, my uncle get me in a school.
Oh, okay, so and that
you know,
school...
my uncle was if you know, down at Portmore High School, Mr. Hudson.
No.
He was the principal.
Remember then time I'm in a barn?
Oh, you know about it, blood, fire, cha-cha! Teach them!
Yeah, they look all in about
that.
So you enrolled at Woolman's Boys?
Right at Boys, yeah.
But that never lasts long?
Never last long.
What go on there,
Because,
sir?
you know, no. I get caught with a cigarette back on my ears. You see, this is your style, eh?
Yeah.
But to tell you the truth, it's like more music, you know.
A joy,
I draw me because when I come to town, I come to town already, you know.
Right.
Alright? I'm doing a holiday so now. Remember I say Ali, evening tide, that's what I say. You see it? I'm going to live on the lane there. So I'm going to get a drama about that too. See him?
Right.
So and so. Alright? I go over there now. Not even remember saying cigarette back on me. But I tell you the truth. But tell the principal, I say, yo, really and truly, because we just coming to school now, you know. It's going to be a problem. I tell the man, say, you have to give me a chance because I never.
Right.
Because I never smoke it. But him think say, at the first, I'm like, I don't know. Him see a man with a cigarette on the compound. So I say, well, listen. They're going to expel you, you know.
You don't mean for love, you know.
No, first of all, I say him suspend me.
Suspect.
Yeah. And then he called me and they say, you can't come back.
So the Woolman's journey was shortly.
Shortly. Because I usually over my could have a kickball and them sitting there on Sunday daytime and I play skimmage. Yeah. So, this is what happened now, teacher. My uncle again. So the last time I try with me now. So my uncle, I think he was friend with Calabar Prince and Mr. Edgar. Right? And he called him up and take the file again and he look upon it. There's a chance, he give me still, you know.
Sometimes all you need is a chance.
Yeah. See? And then we end up in a Calabar.
And you graduated?
We graduated from this, sir.
You've
Insane, insane.
God is good.
Yeah, man. Fourth subject I never even use. I never use
Yeah,
nothing.
but you're finished school. You're finished school. So what was it like though? Because coming to town now, which was really and truly the epicenter of the music, was it difficult for you to focus in school or you juggle the music and school?
Actually, you know, it was not, you know.
Okay.
It wasn't that because them time I teach them, it's how you really roll. It's like, I want to say a plan, but you have a concept that say, yo, a school you know, and a school, and then school over.
You got.
You understand?
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
I'm a graduate from Calabar. Right.
So what you ride now? Echo Vibration start at Greenwich Farm. Town Son. Thomas Stewart Town. You, St. Mary man, forward at town.
Forward at town.
Were you still doing Echo Vibration?
No.
No. Okay. So when you come at town, the Echo Vibration link done.
Yeah.
So when you forward at town, you know, which was the first sound you go around? That sound like a rhyme.
Alright, listen.
When you forward at town, which was the first sound you go around?
Yeah. Let me set up a thing good.
Yeah.
I think the other way around, you know, with vibration. Because vibration, I left school 82.
Okay.
And in the time, I had DJ vibration too.
Still a DJ Vibration?
Yeah.
So that means...
So after, in the 70s,
Okay.
the time frame I know.
Uh-huh.
Because I remember now, we go back to country to and a DJ vibration.
Oh,
after school.
After school,
After
right.
school,
Okay,
yeah,
so the link
yeah.
with vibration never cut fully.
Never cut fully. Yeah, you understand?
So when you there at town now though, which was the first one you venture on?
All right, I'm there at town now. Hear this now. When I'm there at town, I know another alias. All right? Yellow man.
Eventide.
Eventide.
For you say that, I say, me kind of, yeah. Go on talk.
Yellow man used to do him little thing. He never boss. He never, all the metro never say about tasty in the reaches yet. Right? I can remember, no disrespect, you know. On the lane, nobody couldn't come out from over south to over here.
Oh, okay.
See, where I'm going this up.
No, man, I see the prayer already,
Yeah.
man. What do you think set up, man?
So, I can remember how the link on me and Yellow. Alright, but we used to walk. Listen, now. A sliping road, I say, no. And we used to walk with the Yellow man. Fatter than coming on the plate, neither.
Okay.
Walk with the Yellow man. Big Batty Passy. You hear Ranger talk about them, man.
Right.
Yeah. Sharon, rest in peace, Sharon. Sharon dead. Sharon come out from a lane, you know. And some more a big Batty Passy that.
A good passy.
Yeah, we walk with the Yellow. You know, we walk with the Yellow. Only for youth from half of Alleman. Go up a Redlands Road, our son named Libra Force.
Libra.
At Thursday night time.
Thursday.
Him and the DJ, me never DJ on it. We just
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Every
Thursday.
you know, big DJ from St. Mary?
Yeah, but me not DJ.
Okay.
You understand? Me and him walk go up there.
Every Thursday?
Every Thursday. And then him bus after.
History that you
And
have.
him bus after.
Yeah.
And he don't remember that thing there.
Okay.
And also, what if I mix up the thing? Me bring him come a country early too.
Oh, yeah?
Come DJ earlier. So me think twist up and then you have to straight up a thing, you know. Yeah.
Okay. But you see, you have to straight lead up and me can't straight lead face.
Alright, probably
But you bring him
Yeah.
to DJs earlier.
I bring Yellow to DJ earlier. Back in the time
so
there.
early days that
Early days then. So probably that mix up the thing, you know. That mix up the date.
Yeah,
the time.
probably.
Yeah, mix up the time in
the history is still history.
It's just a
Yeah.
history.
In our town, you know, you say I do the streets with Yellow one at a time and thing, but you never too focus on the DJ part of the thing. Yeah.
Country me forward back
Country.
again now. Yeah.
So when you're done school,
Yeah. Country.
you go back home.
In a
out. So you end
me mix up the thing, you know.
Okay.
After school, me I DJ vibration, you know.
Okay.
So it was a piece, a vibration, this after school, and a piece
A vibration before school.
Yeah, so it was a gap.
So let me clear this.
Yeah, clear this. Come here, so remember
when you were
now.
DJing Echo Vibration first, and before you move to Kingston,
Right.
and then when you finish school at town, you go back to DJ Echo Vibration
That's
a little
stable.
bit.
That's
But you pass through.
Yeah.
All right. The people
It
that
fit up.
work it out.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand?
yeah.
So finishing school now, and as we say, whilst you do Calabar, you're not gonna dance, you're not gonna run the sound, you just have focus on the school.
Me a DJ for the country too, man.
A country.
Yeah.
So when you then go on weekend and such,
After
or
school?
holiday.
I just weekend dance
Just
going,
weekend dance. And we saw in a country a DJ them time there.
I see Jack Ruby, them
Same
and
Jack,
them, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
the same
Same thing. I'm more sound to what I remember right now.
You did tell me now, say, Nicodemus changed the name from Prophet Scratchy
Yeah,
to
to
APACHE
Demus, yeah.
Scratchy.
And that
was
is now.
after school.
Yeah, after school.
After school.
Yeah, after school. The Apache come on after
So
school.
how him decide to give you, can you look Indianish?
At a one,
Okay. And you sound like Super
and then
Cat?
me sound like that. So when we go to Taros down at Portland now, it was me, him, and one DJ from Spanish Town named, oh my God, Flatty Rank.
Flatty Ranks.
Yeah, go up there. Can him look like Rankin Trebat, you know.
Okay.
Right. So we went up you know, and the man, that's where he must really hear my voice good now, you know.
Okay.
So in the dance now, inside the man I say, come in Scratchy, and I say, come down Apache.
Okay.
In keep on saying that. That's why the Apache go up on the Scratchy, you know. Because probably think say, a cat.
A cat.
Listen
Man
me?
cat used to.
Yeah man say, come down and then Mr. Lino, we own Taros. Tell him say, he want me for DJ sound.
Okay.
You see, I would say a blessing, okay? Everywhere I go,
They
that's what
want
happens.
the one your DJ sound.
Yeah. Cause of my profile too.
Yeah,
you
and
know.
Taros are the biggest sound of Portland.
Yeah man, you DJ Taros, well, I never in a long time to cause Demus go away.
Okay.
You know. DJ Taros for a while.
So you used to roll with Demos. So that means you spend time on Sturmars.
I never spent time with Sturm. I went there, I never
Oh, you
stayed.
went there. Okay.
Because Sturm's thing, no. Me tell you how I went to Demus now. Demus go away foreign and come back. With the charm out now, driving like a charm out now. So, in forward back now, I link up now through the same with the Poche. So, he come St. Mary side. And then me and him now drive, go to Jack Ruby.
Okay. Okay.
You see it? Because I remember some usual DJ Jack
Yeah,
from
man.
before.
Yes.
Demus is a big driver now, you know. See, listen to this now. Let's just listen to this now. We got Jack Ruby. I went down to the whole day. That Demus is a retired man, you know.
Okay.
See it? And the man get down there and him say, alright, Sturmers have play St. Elizabeth. Him have to go Sturmers, you know. No. Him drive out, me and him drive out. You see the reach Falmouth? Demus driving to the police station. And left the car there.
Okay.
And take a taxi a lot of them time there.
Yeah.
I made him take a taxi. First time I'm going to run on them man I know. Dada, when we reach the dance, you know, it's about 100 man say so I'm Demus. You know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Me and man tell Demus, Dan want to talk to you. And all them something here. So I used to them something in the brother. I say, I listen to that. And you have a man named ID. You know, man, I say, boy. Is that the man who bad up Demus, you know?
Okay.
The camp.
Then time they utter them run off the thing.
But they run off the thing. Indian them.
Yeah.
So I man, I observe the thing now and I say, yo, I say, I can't hear me still now. I saw me stay from my band, so I watch the profile and I say to myself, say, I think I might think this. You hear me, man? The man them gone with Demus, you know. When they dance, remember that good. And then, when I see Demus the whole night, that I lie me tell. He come back in the night.
In the DJ sound?
Yeah, DJ sound in the night.
Okay.
Them time, let me tell you who did it. Cutty Rankin, Ricky Toffee.
Okay.
Ricky Toffee, a whole little Harry.
Like the area.
Whole heap of man there, man. So the thing was set like a whole community.
Yeah.
Me never DJ sound, you must know. And the man then gone with Demus and gone like a coat. Can he take himself and gone for the whole day, the man can't find him and dad's give him the charm. All type of sit me here, so I'm there right.
Okay.
See? So I'm DJ and in the morning, guess what happened to my brother?
You take away yourself?
In the morning, I can't find Demus.
Oh.
I dance with them and Demus gone. Then gone out there, them yeah, no.
And the animal power.
And I'm in my parts. But he come back still come look for me in time I reach town already.
Yeah.
Me and him link up and I say, boy, but that was a situation there, so why I never really.
Spend no time around Sir
No,
Mars.
I'm not spending time on Star Mars. You know what I mean? Because of the thing.
Yes.
Kind of thing what happened around there.
The sea pre, man.
Yeah,
the
I
sea.
left that man.
So at this stage though, which sword were you say? You know, a
We never
resident
stable.
and never stable.
No, we never stable.
So beat the road.
I beat the road. Till recording time
Till
come.
recording time. We soon reach us,
that's
see?
it,
But them time they pass through the gyros and all of them sound, the
pass through
jammies and them
sound,
sound.
yeah.
All I sound them. the
Most
big
I saw them.
And them time they have a big name in the space.
Yeah, my name
as
there.
a rubber dub DJ.
Rubber dub DJ. It's like me enter the thing big before me big. And someone look on it.
Yeah, let me ask you a question though. Back then, of all of the sounds when you go around, which was your favourite sound for go work?
Vibration, man.
Echo. Why, because of Soji?
No, not because of
because of your sound.
And the sound that way, it have music, it have style, everything. It like it make for me.
Yeah, we know what that is.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just know it. You just know what to do.
So now, I'm not sure, I think I probably late 80s or mid 80s, you do your first recording. I think that was a song with you on Skipper Logan.
Skipper Logan.
Skipper Logan. I think that song they record Tough Gang.
Tough Gang.
Talk to me about that.
All right, listen, this come back to the same Black Lion.
Oh.
Remember I tell you, say, the singer the road in Skipper Logan.
Yeah, man, you did say that.
So the Dread now decided to produce a song.
Okay.
After I left Black Lion already, you know. Him decided to produce a song and I say, yo, still I drive for the DJ. The DJ is supposed to do this the combination. Because I really Skipper, they want vice Skipper, you know.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And somehow they mention me coming out. I'm going to go there and vice the song. The song name When Jack Come.
Well, yeah, man, When Jack Come.
And brother, you know, so I never hear that song until long after.
What do you mean you never hear a song?
The man never released the song at Jamaica, man.
Oh, yeah?
The man them put out the song in Canada on a 12-inch. How much years after that, I see that song there? See, you know, they never know. Because them time there, you know, you just want to record that song, you know.
I think Errol Thompson was the engineer at Tough Gang at the time, too.
Yeah, man, you know the thing, man.
You want to look a bit at that thing, man. So that was your first recording?
First
and then the release a yard?
The release a yard.
But then now there was a break between that recording and the next recording. Because I think the next recording was around by Pentos.
I'm watching those teachers, all the thing go on within the time.
Right.
The time, the thing happen fast, you know. I tell you. You know what I mean?
So, between the break now and Pentos, you still work sounds?
But I'm not stable.
I'm
not stable. Dance long as you go, I'm not stable on the sound in the time. Because I see where I see the thing now.
Yes.
I see the thing now.
And the Pentos link now, I think it was some audition business.
All right.
Talk to me through that.
All right, now, hear the Pentos thing, you know, brother. Because I must have a circle town in that time.
Right.
Now, this Pentos thing come, I would tell me about Pentos. My sister.
Okay.
Big up yourself, Jennifer. Big up yourself. And say, all right, Pentos, I have a... It's like an audition.
Okay.
I would say it's a big audition, like... But when I went there, brother, I went there as a whole
host of people?
A whole host of people. Pack of people. People we never know. People more than vehicle. Yeah.
You went there for the audition and many other people were there for the audition.
Yeah.
So you get through?
We just walk up the stairs.
And I think this was the time now that you meet Rebel for the first time. Because I know you're a Rebel kind of use a par down
for
the
the
road.
first time.
For the first time.
For the first time.
I said just walk up the stairs.
You know what Pentos there, right?
Yeah, man. Then time that when them dunk on
yeah, music record, yeah, son. Yeah. So when I reach now, enough man hang out in the yard because I saw it go them time there. Artists and artists in the yard. I'm going to look up the stairs. Because first time I got a Pentos, you know. And say, I have to go up the stairs today, so. Me outside for a little while still, you know. And then I say, yo, I just saw me stay.
Right.
So I say, don't if you want, I look on the thing and say, yo, I go up there now, you know. That's true. I go up there now.
Yeah.
And I have a look, I must tell you, I have a look at crew.
Right, okay.
I'm a spar with that. All right. Step up, you know. The gate man, I say, I have to hold on. Because enough people in there. I'm saying, all right. No, hold on a little bit. That's what the thing say.
Right.
But me outside for a little while, my brother, and then I not get in. Then I go back up there. I'm still, I say, hold on. So, I hold on still. But when the gate, when he open for let somebody, we just push the gate and go through. He couldn't even hold it back. You know what I say? Because we out there long enough. And we're going. Well, it's a good thing to do it that way because sometimes you have to just press yourself, you know. Because it's out there probably till next week.
Yeah, right.
You know what I say? And we get inside, there you go. And we get inside and we're going, you know, in the studio, Ramsey, I'm here.
So, in
like
the studio full, all the door full.
You don't sit around inside. Because I'm going to know. Rebel never in any time, you know.
Okay.
Rebel have to force him wake. Probably I mean father. I'm coming there too. Straight. Alright. We in there. Man a voice. I think we in the device already.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I remember say?
That was a taxi rhythm.
Taxi rhythm. We in the record already.
Yeah, we have 2 songs on the taxi.
Yeah, we in the record already. This is how now never meet we in there. Because them time we in there. Look like a star before I'm a star, you know. I mean, him born as a star still.
Yeah, well, it look like a star before I'm a star.
But when you go in the studio, you can say, yo,
artist.
Artist this.
Yeah, well.
You know what I'm saying? And go in there and me in there for a while too. Because them time, them man have to almost put on a portion of singing songs, so you have to have voices, you have to put on harmony and harmony and harmony. I'm sitting on the chair. That time,
so was it was an audition, it was like a recording session at the same time?
Yeah. Them a record. Them a record.
I think it was an audition where you just go and DJ or sing a man.
No,
say,
man. No, that's what I tell you in the beginning. It was like a audition, but it's not an audition.
It's more like a recording session, man.
A record session. Because Dave a record at the same time.
So Dave was the one who was taking the voice that day?
Dave Kelly. So when I get my chance, brother, and I sit down in there for a while still. If you know in a penthouse there.
No, I don't know in the stage.
There's a thing there, and they have a big stage, a seat there, so like couch and stuff like that. Official studio, you know them time there. And I sit down and I to and fro, because I know my busybody, you know. I walk from the mixing board to the vice room where the door there.
Okay.
Or we set up. And I can tell you, if I don't lie, it's a Scatchy. Scatchy dead now. You must Scatchy, the DJ Scatchy from a long time. Yeah, man, Scatchy did a record, you know.
Okay.
Trust me on that. You see it? I'm just going there, man, and go around there. Nobody never sent me around there.
Nobody never sent around
Nobody sent me around there. I saw the voice pan very many, you know. I mean, me inside. But
fancy girl.
Fancy girl. I'm going and get one shot. The man.
One go.
One go. So come. Can you what again? You know what again? Vice.
Vice. What level?
Vice. The Vice capture Dave Kelly, so him just say, record. And then say, come listen. Because fancy girl, a DJ, me a DJ, my brother. Just DJ, me a DJ a song, you know.
It's a DJ.
It's a DJ about fanciness. And him say, DJs come listen this.
You see, when they talk about the voice and vice. Fancy girl, give me a couple of bars out that one.
Fanciness and a girl progress, yes. Fanciness and a girl progress. Feel wear eyeshadow and Q-Tex. Well, I don't remember the rest of the lyrics, but
that
catch up out
was
there. Yeah.
1989, thereabout.
89.
Taxi rhythm.
Taxi rhythm.
Penthouse. And the thing start by the local level this year though.
But it wasn't start on a level yet because German put it up on an all-star.
So it wasn't released as a 45?
No, it was not.
Okay.
It was not released on a 45. He put out the whole album.
Okay.
Right? There's so much artists. But luckily me blessed again because Richard B fall in love with the song.
Oh. Side.
You see it?
Richard B have it in a rotation.
In a rotation. I play it. Richard B kind of like the song. You understand? And start play it. I play the rest of the song but then start playing my song.
Right.
You know? And then Richard B have a live show on the radio. I do all the parishes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and as I said that, I like that. Because at that time, I pre Wayne would be there.
Yeah.
Probably Cutty would be there.
Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Oh, so it's Wayne, you,
Rebel.
Tony.
Yeah. Andy, Twiggy.
Okay.
And some more. Dave Kelly.
Dave, right.
I remember.
Now the ranks have never about it.
Now the ranks have been there, but they're never in the camp.
They're not in the camp?
No.
Okay.
Fretty, they're there, but they're never in the camp.
Okay.
You see it? That was the original camp.
So on there, on the road with Richie B?
Yes, Richard B found the thing now, him say, all right. Me, Wayne, Rebel, Nada too.
Nada, okay.
Nada come on some of the show there.
Okay.
Yeah. And we take on the road, live show, Saturday night time.
So your name a go out in the space
Yeah,
man.
yeah, man.
So you have a name in the rubber dub space.
See?
But as a recording artist now, Richie B kinda help bring the thing to.
Richie B bring a thing too, because I do something for him too.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think now you never record back for Penthouse. I think you record for Capricorn between Fancy Girl and Pancake. No?
I record another song for Penthouse.
Penthouse. What song that?
Wheel and Ton.
Wheel and Ton. Oh,
Yeah.
me never know that.
Yeah. And then we record another
So
song.
hold on. So that was released on 45?
That one was released on 45.
Okay. And then you record another song, you say?
We put on LP again.
LP.
Mampi. That time, thing that they have Kukum, Red Dragon. Yeah.
Red Dragon.
Yeah. Let me record that now, German, put it on a All-Star again.
Oh, okay.
You see what I say?
So you still not get the break per se.
But me I do road still.
Yeah, do road. And the name a bubble?
Yeah, me I do road. You understand?
So now, this was the time that your voice Olive.
The voice Olive one song.
The song with your voice Olive. Gay Boy?
No.
No.
Not the one there.
Which
New
song?
Dance.
So earlier voice New Dance?
Yeah.
So hold on, you never voice a song for Olive before?
No, that one of the first one, New Dance.
So the song what we just call it, Olive sang that too? The
The voice sang it 2 times, you know.
2 times. New Dance or the song there?
The song there.
Oh. Who your voice for?
Voice for Olive, I'm a voice for youth. I think in England, I think. 2 times.
Okay.
So Olive put it out.
So New Dance now
It was the first song
was
for
the
Capricorn.
first song for the Capricorn label.
Yeah.
Video
And the video.
sort of shoot up.
Yeah. So it go man, same so. You see?
But that now kind of bring you out some more.
But-
even before you get that big song there.
But hold on. All of this thing happen in the same space.
Right, because of 89, 90, we are
You're
going
going
now.
there, right?
Right.
It a come. Everything happens so fast, you know.
So we recorded for Olive. Penthouse, you me?
That song, no, not that song. That song was recorded in Mix na Penthouse.
So we
That's a
record.
Dave Kelly mix that song there.
Okay.
My voice that song there, Dynamics sound.
Dynamics, okay.
Dynamics sound.
See, pretty.
See it?
Yes.
But it mix up there, I'm video up there.
So now, 1990 we there now,
Yeah.
that is when you got the first big song.
Big song.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Worky, and Mud Up Rhythm.
Big.
Talk to me about that.
All right, that song now. Listen to this song now, because that song is sent me over the world. See, this song really. Because during that time now, I revised them 3 songs for German now. German, like, a management thing now. Kind of have Wayne, me, Rebel.
Okay.
Something just happen, you know. Something that really got into it. Just
happen.
You know what I mean? But me every while can't tame still some of that street, see me see what I go on in the place and thing.
Right.
Right? We have a talk about Rebel too, you know.
Yeah.
Because he was a baby that thing, you know.
Okay.
When I remember see he was a baby at the camp. Me dry out. See, yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? So when Germany have the camp now, and the camp farm up now, get a little thing at weekend time and stuff like that. Me now find Olive Shaw and revise this song, you know. In the same
At the same time.
yeah. So I get a little piece of food now from Olive.
Right.
Different from where I go on up in doors. So I say, all right. Lady put out the song. And song I go on and she go release it in Miami. But you want to know
That's a new dance.
That's a new dance. But now, when new dance forward now, at the same time,
Pancake. So a 2 tune out in the street, really?
But the one that comes just goes to zip. You know what I say? Big up yourself, German. That is, yeah, it just comes to zam.
So this one was released on 45.
45.
No compilation business.
Small 45, disco 45, all type of thing where you want to take it, just take the road. Because I'm sure you something. All German friend of my song run out, you know.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. I know me at the hardest to penetrate.
We want to penetrate in time there. Wayne?
Wayne, man.
Yeah.
Wayne, I'm the big artist, man. I tell you straight. So, it's like my thing was happen, my brother. Now, before it happened still, as I tell you in the space of time there when I swing at Olive Shaw and
Right.
before big song come. Rebel is a little man, nah. In nah left Penthouse, I hear German say, Generals are moving, just very humble. I have to say, come my youth, I go down Orange Street. You see it? I'm making wait that food. I can't wait that food off my album now. Because they need to say one do album with me now.
But hold on, even before that, when you did Pancake, Rebel No Do, the arm up on the same worky, man.
Same worky. Well, listen this. My voice a song there, a style and fashion, my voice a song in the murder.
Yeah.
That song they never right, you know.
Yeah.
Or nothing, you know. It's just the ego that me want boss. So Mr. Man just, I just misappear things and talk about things.
Yeah.
Orange Street, me I come from a Cape Program when me come vice Pancake.
Yeah?
Boss, me take.
Boss, I take go boss.
Boss, me take go boss. Boom! That's what I say.
Yeah, why?
Come off at 56 Live Road and
jump in the studio.
jump in the studio. Because now me and man in the studio too, you know.
Right.
So
Yeah,
man, fly
so.
gate. And I'm going there, brother. I'm here the rhythm. That in German voice about 20 songs on the rhythm already. Remember I tell you, Sanchez, Wayne, you name it. Because remember I must about 4 or 5 albums I put out on Ninja Turtle, if I read them, you know. See, I'm a lead up on that.
Yeah. But I think though, that song really and truly got its break after it was played at a dance. By Stone Love.
The Stone Love Tropics, man.
Who was the selector?
I think I Rory. What on me? Before you reach this, you know, reach this here, you know.
Okay.
When the song, Chakadi must advise already. We in advice already.
Yeah.
Right? So when I go in and advise this song now, and the same thing happening, you know, because in the crowd again, you know, me push myself around, you know. Even when Dave say, yo, hold on, Scatchy, hold on, Apache. Me run that ready to hear for everything for me, you know.
Ready.
Me ready. So me run that one and the man say run it. One cut again.
And one go.
You see? Because me a dancehall DJ, so I just DJ.
You have it.
A straight song again, go around and voice it. When I voice it, I feel the thing go around and mash up.
Oh, okay.
See,
you know so you think on it.
Dave Kelly's a come. And Dave Kelly say, I say, you ready now? I say, ready, man.
First, take your brother work with.
Yo, his song done. See? And I see him go talk to Jeremy. Because then he find out his song and he left out. Him fly out. And still I sit down there. Because I'm eager for bus there, brother. Because I always tell Josh, you see, to me see the man them come and drive around the car and a big chain and I'm sitting there. I tell me, I say, yo, I want to go for it. No. I ask the most I find out. I want to go for it. I never ask nothing else. I never ask millions of them. I say, I want to go for it. So when I voice that song with Jeremy and the man, I say, all right. Jeremy, Dave go talk to the boss and Rebel voice. Armor. Yeah. Alright? So Rebel attack and my song make you make armor. After me say Pancake, you have to have armor. That's how it goes. And then it release. Understand? So therefore when the song drop, no, before that German they were cut 4 songs pan dub plate.
Okay.
And carry go a Tropics go make Stone Love play and when me hear going up there.
Oh, you were in the dance?
No.
Okay.
I hear me about going up there now. I go in the country, man. I buy some big son and go in the country, look at food in my pocket. Got something going on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Monday morning, the man them tell me, say, I come back a penthouse. Yo, if you never hear what your son going with up there, how much time you pull up and everything. Right? Jeremy never did the Monday morning I come. See? I did it about the Wednesday or the Thursday. We got a penthouse. I'm here. Jason called him and said, yo, Stamp around hot.
Yeah?
When I say the first song he put out to the man, called him and said, yo, Pancake Stamp around hot. About 1 week. Yeah, I said to the teacher, man, about 2 weeks, in this place of 2 weeks, I fly. No.
Where was the first place you went?
First place we went, I where I live right now, you know.
Canada.
Yeah, I'm going to Canada and the show now. Go on, my brother. Listen this now, man. We have the big bad tune. Listen this.
Right.
And remember if you ever hear about a DJ named Lady Venus?
Yeah, about
She
Venus,
dead.
man. Yeah, man.
All right. I'll show you. Big up. Rest in peace, Lady Venus. But with that penthouse, right? I'm going to find the song. And I said, Tony Rebel not going nowhere. Him is a penthouse youth. Me, I go in the street. You understand?
Yeah.
So Venus have a boyfriend now. I can't that way. I deal with the things them. So me say, boss. And 2 Venus there already know Venus come to me and say, yo. My man want to keep a show, you know. Listen to this, he want to keep a show. I say, really? Remember, some of them don't show a foreign, I'm not fly
Right,
it.
you don't fly it.
No, I'm not fly it. And they take the show, you know. But I can't tell my brother. But you don't ask just say, yo, just make me go foreign. So that me ask for.
Your G was forward.
Well, I mean, if I penetrate Venus to know we're serious too. And she say, yeah. And he talk to Red and him say, yo, this how much money I want. And I just start big, I say, I want $3,000 Canadian dollars. Them the time there, you know. I just name a price, my brother. I say, all right. And deal with everything now. And for go to embassy now. I said to myself, it's a real thing. I don't get no money to know. I don't get no money to teach them.
Yeah.
It's a real thing. Guess I want me a girlfriend for the first time now.
I'm not sure.
I have 4 princesses, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Or 3. Or 4. Lady Venus, Auntie Angel, Junior Ranks.
Okay.
Me are the only man. And guess what happened now? I don't know some me have the big tune up there.
So. Canada, you there? No sure.
All right, yeah, let's go now. We get visa now, I'm fine, I say, work permit now, I say, yo, it's serious now. The German don't know about this.
Oh,
Take this
okay.
out.
Hustler, yeah, hustler.
But me don't ask you if you let me go foreign. A foreign the thing thing.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I have a big chain or drive some rental and so sit like I say the man, them Johnny P, every man, them I do it. And I say, what? You know? And so, bam! I go foreign with 2 suits, you know. Because I expect to come back with more. I say, I'm my thing that I teach them. That foreign I go see this thing build up.
Clean
And I say, ah, tell you, foreign me I go now. Work. Gonna play now. I say, Patch, I'm not playing for real, you know. I'm not playing for real, you know, foreign me I go, my brother.
Yeah.
That's the first fly, you know. Zip, we go foreign now. My brother come meet, you know. One van. Right? And I say, a Venus man I keep the show, you know. Big time man foreign, you know. See? If you're supposed to get money from I left Jamaica, you know.
Oh, I'm supposed to get the advance.
Me no bother with that because when I'm going to go foreign, my brother, the money thing. What Mr. said real.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. We see the pre,
You see the pre, Mr. Foreign. I would live on the plane and Angela, I hug me up and things. I said, but Scatchy not foreign. I said, yeah. I'm going to land, my brother. I'm come out. My first experience, you know. But they come like me have 10 experience already, told me I move. Second like, because Angie didn't go foreign before, you know.
Okay.
Come out and the man say, boom, boom. And I bring it all holiday in. I never forgot this thing, you know. Right? Me and 3 girls, you know. One and dance. So when me, man give me, I say, yo, bang, bang, bang. I say, him say I'm so forward. If you're hungry and thing, I get food. You know the regular procedure. Man. So I say, all right, yeah. So I'm a man now, love pre things right me there, you know. I'm there on the 2nd floor.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gone down in the lobby now and down the before I up that deal with them. So then I know seminar in there, you know. If I get my room, you know, I'm going to stretch out and see where I go on. Them up that deal and the brother deal. You know. So when the brother come down now, then take some in my room now, so I start the brother and say, watch out now, so it go differently. He asks me what I mean. I say, I'm not get no money with my brother. I say, a Venus, you know. A Venus, you have to talk. I say, yo, listen, you pick me up in my brother, so watch out now. Show me the whole 100 where I go on now. I can get fast by anything now. I say, all right, I'm going to get that thing. I say, no, you have to leave that thing with me, no. I mean, I friend me that can't me on the money in my pocket. The man give me $200. On $10 on $20. See, the man give me brother. I say, all right, I have food in my pocket. Okay, I have to do it to teach him.
Yeah,
the money. See them, you have it in my pocket now. I say, all right. The brother tell me, say, no, nobody left off a compound. Like a prison thing. I mark the thing I'm there now. All right. Them say, Venus didn't come with me in my room, now around there talk and thing. But all of my mind said, I say, yo, watch her now. I don't got a friend before me, but now I'm done, you know, because 4 girls I have with me now, you know. So me have to be the done on this.
Right,
you see what I say?
Yeah, the man.
Yeah, that me a pray. But I didn't got a friend before me, the first me I got a friend. Right now, brother come back now the next day now, because we're there. I say, all right, road and food and all type of thing. All right? I know I'm not talk about the money yet, you know. I money me I pray, you know. Because I say Venus, I talk to Venus and then blah, blah, blah. All right, hear this now. Man, come back. I don't eat food and everything and come back. Then at a radio station. Right? We'll go back in. My intention, you know, foreign me that Friday, I pray all type of clothes and ballet, all type of sit me I pray. Seriously, teachers, I say, brother, you what now? I don't like go shop, you know. And so the man say, yo, this a brother now, he's a brother. I say, yeah, man, I want to go shop, man. You have a car in the store, or car somewhere right now. The man say, you want? I say, Clark's man and Bally. I Bally them time in a beat, yeah. And I say, hold on. The man say, hold on, brother. I say, where promoter them? I meet the promoter, because I know you're a promoter. Teach them. The promoter out of Kingston Penitentiary.
Prison.
Prison. And prison I can name Kingston Penitentiary.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not teach them. So I say, well, go on. The umbrella around the thing say, Apache, everything will go all right, man. You're good. You're good. Everything will take place. But for the man tell me, say the boss type pension, I start pretty different to my brother. I say anything goes now, so I start different money. Right? The man say, all right. I'll get $1,000, you know, out of my pocket. But I'm not really responsible for them pocket, brother, because them around the table.
Right.
He give me $1,000. Venus and Hanji and Junior Ranks don't know nothing about it.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell myself it just
Oh, yeah, man, whole lot.
whole lot. Dada. You say the boss call and say you have to bring the artist and come out of penitentiary. I don't want to go, you know.
Yeah.
Teacher, I say I don't want to go out of the penitentiary, man. Because I bus and come back and I go look at the prison. Listen me. Anyway, we drive. I don't dip on the car and find someone, I get serious and I say the real Apache now. I stop smiling now. And then we go out there. One long drive in that I go to Montreal now. And we go out there. Then find some I screw now. So then talk. I say I talk last, man. You see? Because I get to understand now, say, I'm here the man for the show. None of them. So when we go talk to the brother now and the brother say, boy, certain circumstances, you know, sorry, I can't get to meet there officially. So I say, so, what go on? The brother say, well, the brother named Tony. The brother move on him and say, Tony will take care of me. I say, hold on, the brother. I tell Tony to take care of me. Or everybody. I said, no, man, the girls are all right. My brother tell me personally, I said, the girls are all right. It's all right. Left prison. Par around. Now this brother does restaurant and food and sit there. I said to the brother, I say, Umber say, you take care of me, you know. I said, Apache, I got all right. You just go on, my brother. The money now come, you know. And we go down, go do bands, version and everything.
Sound check.
Yeah, we look bands, we look a place. And then when we take a start now, we did it now. Because we up the 3 days before the show, you know. But me no matter, me da foreign, my brother. And that me I say me da foreign.
Yeah.
But in the makings now, we kind of find out say, me bigger when me really pray. You see it? Because my brother come to me, know them all the find me out and tell me about dub plate and all type of sitting special. So I link with that brother, you know. Not knowing that the show not going to keep it. You know.
Oh, okay.
Not knowing that the show not going to keep. So I link with the brother now and we are par with them. Them come from the Olympic garden too. And we are par with them. I'm going to start and check my regular now. Because I'm here 4 girls now.
Right.
So I get some soldier. I'm the man in my par. When I take a stock, just because you the brother say, the show now keep again, my brother. Something go down. What if I teach him? When the man tells you no show now keep, what happen? Everything crumbling now, you know. I say, what happen now? Venus and to them all right.
Right.
Because a female man think them and blah, blah, blah. You hear this now? We go on that brother yard, see? They
Dub
can run
plate.
that. No, we're not doing the dub plate. The brother
Okay.
will drive around.
Okay.
Will represent Mr. Man. We go down the yard. See? And I pray, say, yo, you know what happened? The money not going to run, you know. I preach before, and I go down and say, man, have a video. You know them big video camera there? You know the big camera you put on your
For sure, lad.
For sure. And I say, yo, the camera good? I say, yeah, man, the man put it up on video. I say, yo, I say, yeah, my brother. I go on the camera here. The camera got you. I say, yeah, man, hold it.
Yeah.
When that big camera, me get it and come down, you know. Listen now. Listen this now. Junior ranks with the camera now in the hotel room now, and I say, I want me get it. And I tell him, say, I rang me, make it up. I tell him, say, I want to give me the thing, man. Then start pressure the brother now for all type of things. They want to go there, so they want to go there, so. Till the years of the show, nah, keep. But the brother tells him to take care of me. Brother with that, let's make sure the brother give me the camera. And I say, yo, you know what?
Yeah, well, no, it's good, man.
Let's say, give me a thing, my brother. I start to want a thing now. You should not keep again. The man give me $500 more.
So yeah, what, 17 bills plus a camera.
And I cut left them. You know what I cut left them?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I meet some man for the man and the man I say, yeah, rude boy DJ. And me and them gone. Me left the hotel and everything. The man then can't find me again, I can't. But me know some there.
Right.
Because they get my work permit. But me there with this brother I know, up and down now, and the man line up on little thing in the club and just clap another 15. Easy, 4 songs.
Yeah.
Junior ranks and they're stuck. And I asked the Umbrella, say, line up something for them now. And in car another club again, Angie, Angel, Venus, me, and Junie. And a little thing going on there, so.
So you come back with a little food, man?
Yeah, listen, man, but me have a crew.
Okay.
So my intention was to buy Bally and buy everything, but the money can't. Money little bit of me I look for. You know what I mean? I buy 2 things and 2 things and 2 things. And then now, I left them a foreign in Jamaica. I left June everybody and gone a foreign. Come back to Jamaica. Come back to Jamaica. They walk the same way. When I come to Jamaica now, a bigger thing. Germany name about 4 shows now, say, yo, show like horrors, you know.
Yeah?
I remember say, he was not a manager for me, but the thing just happened.
So you were never officially signed at Penthouse?
No. Well, no, when I signed, was after.
After?
Yeah, Germany was a Penthouse artist and when I was fitting on the camera, I didn't sign nothing. So this is why I have a while, Rebel never want to move. I stick this up. You understand? I come back to Jamaica now and the thing was, I start going everywhere.
And that is when your voice shuffle and deal?
When I forward, I shuffle and deal German get again. Right.
Hit song?
Hit song again.
I think I did shuffle and deal on the You Should Him, I think.
Yeah, on the You Should Him.
Then I think Girl on Consignment was a follow-up song.
Not for German.
Not for Girl on Consignment?
Yeah, not for German.
Oh.
That's what Mr. Do.
So you did that
at music work?
Soji
come in, yeah.
So you do back some work with Soji?
Soji, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because you have now, I'm in a situation, I'm request me now.
Okay.
You know what I say? I'm going to give Soji a song too, for himself.
Which song that?
I don't remember enough him song, but I didn't get that song from film label.
Okay.
I'm going to do for him. But the song, when record, is for Mr. Do.
Yes. So now we have, well, new dance that I do it thing. We have Pancake. We have thing. Shuffle and Deal.
Great thing.
Girl on Consignment.
Great thing.
Man, like a fireman.
Yeah, man. Not only Jamaica, New York. I control New York for a while. For a while.
And as I say, control New York because I think in 1991 you were voted best new artist for the year.
Teachers know the thing, man. You know the thing them teach you.
Things, man. I think Super Cat was the artist
DJ
of the
for the year. I mean, get new DJ for the year.
That was the first time you meet the Apache?
No, we meet before coming on record the album.
May I ask you a question before we pick up back here? So was there any bad vibe in you at all between you and Cat? Because you sound like Cat and the Apache thing, no?
No.
Okay.
No bad vibe because when...
So it's father and son real then?
So father and son forward.
Alright. No, so I said the whole vibration is real. So it's like
man, the real
father and the son. So there was no bad vibration.
And for the record, me are the only DJ Cat Vice album with.
We still get to the album. See? So now, you depend us, but you still at work.
Yeah, me just wild, me can't tame. But Germany never just go with that because me go on with it now. And me around, and me in the thing, the limelight, you know.
Yeah, but I think you did test me now with Super Morris.
I have a Courtney Cole.
Oh, Roof.
Roof.
Oh, okay. You did quite a few songs. I think you did about 3, 4, 5 songs to Roof.
Yeah, me do but listen this again too. Me do a song for Roof. Alright? Me and Ed Robinson, me and Girls.
Girls.
Yeah. And Dennis Howard asked me for the same song, and I do it with Anthony Red Rose. Same song.
Okay.
Listen this. Galaxy people go feel say the first man do one song with 2 different artists.
Okay.
We do that before.
Okay.
Same song, you know?
Same song, but one for Roof and one for Dennis Howard.
The one for Roof, and me and Ed Robinson. And the one for Dennis Howard, and me and Anthony Red Rose.
Anthony Red Rose. The next hit song was Father and Son.
Father and Son.
You
did
song. That song now for Robert Livingston.
Yeah, seeing. Teach him know the thing, man.
Well, and doing it for Robert Livingston, I think that was voice at Penthouse.
Penthouse, right now Penthouse.
But when you did the song for Robert Livingston now, eventually that song was released and While Apache label?
No, it released on Blue Track label first.
Who won Blue Track?
Robert Livingston.
Okay. And them time the Livingston are managed Supercat.
Managed Supercat.
Okay. Okay. So now it was out of that now that the album Father and Son came from that.
Same.
But even between, I think you started voicing now for Shelly Power.
After.
Shelly
Power after.
I think you them a fight for the aisle for Shelly.
I don't want to reach New York now.
I want to reach New York.
My voice at the Long Island.
Yeah.
HCF.
Also for Shelly Power, while me there on Shelly Power, your voice Pancake Part 2 for Shelly as well. Alright. So I could pick up back now, Robert Livingston.
Same.
After the 45, which became a hit song, was Jermaine having issues with you voicing for Olive Shaw and Shelly Power and Robert Livingston and Roof and them people there?
Let me address this. As I can say, when I signed up with Jermaine,
okay.
My intention was to go to foreign. Right? So I find out at the time now, when the thing happened so fast, I'm up on cock, I find out I'm in demand. Jermaine a book show for me. Right? So when my voice shuffle and deal now, in final say, yo, me are the man, me solid, fast. Me in a fast lane now. People, promoter here, this there, that there. But me also have other people from my own too where want me so, want me this, want me this. So when I go voice, remember I know my voice Pancake and it and shuffle and deal and then my voice Girl Pan Consignment, we got it. So in a short space of time there, I have 3 big songs in a New York. Forget about Jamaica.
Right.
In a New York. And England.
Okay.
And them things they go on to teach them. Both places now me kinda big. You see what I say? So this is how the thing get going. Because it's after Girl Pan Consignment my voice test me now, you know.
Okay, after Girls Can Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Me and Garnet still them on the crew.
Yeah.
Bless myself, Garnet.
So it was when you were in New York now, you and Robert spoke about the possibility of the album. Alright, when Jamaica the conversation they go.
Alright, listen this now. Robert did book sometime in a penthouse studio. And I arrived at penthouse studio. I don't know why I come for that day there. And somebody called me from outside, so my name Otter. And Robert come out. The first time I meet Robert. Got the name big in New York.
Right.
You see? And him say, in fact, somebody introduce himself to me. And I say, I don't like a song with you, you know. Right? But I never check Robert on a level because in my mind now, too busy all over the place now. It's like a data for me dry now because I make some papers.
Right.
So Robert said, come back to me again. I think he was mixing some song for Cat in the studio.
Okay.
And the man come to me and said, I really need a song. And I said to Robert then, go outside go talk, man. I paint those winner. And we talk and I said, all right. He must say to me, all right, yeah, what happened now? You want to come voice it tomorrow? I said, my brother, I'm going to voice that now. You ready for it? Remember I said I don't plan the lyrics, you know?
Right.
I don't plan. Father and Son is our lyrics that come up next to them, you know? It's when we go in there now. And dep and now, as I say, a Cat project him a do. I saw the lyrics coming up.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, I mix something. I think it Tony Kelly. This is how Tony Kelly come in the thing now. He was mixing the song them for Robert. I'm not sure if it was Cat album, but it was some song for Cat. So when the man hears me, I voice it now. He can't believe neither. I'm going there. When I'm going there with the song, teach him. It's the concept of what I go on in this, I'm just going there. Me are the son of Super Cat, I did that, so me are the wicked Apache man. Say, yes, I sang that.
I sang that for you.
See, once I sang that, I'm just freestyle it out. And then lock it to man, say, man, Cat album, don't make sense, and mix that song, you know.
Okay.
And we mix the song, put it out, become a master blaster hit. Big hit. You see me?
And the album came after.
Then he talked to me about the album. See, in time I don't meet Cat, you know.
Okay.
But I think he's going to call and tell the guy, say, yo, look up on a DJ band like he has, right? So, when he put out the song now, the song take off. So you have a choice now to say you want an album. Because when he got a VP, you know, let me tell you something, teach him. I was one of the man at VP, you know, before, like Shabba the man at time. When they go to VP, I'm a sell, I'm the artist man. VP Records. They put on them pad for me.
Yeah.
At the time. Yes, truly, I tell you. And the tune run way. And then come back half of the album. Then him talk and I want to take a voice album, you know.
1 week.
1 week or shorter than a week. And voice the album. The man was want the album so fast, I think the voice and mix and release. So you know what you ask me now.
So the album initially was for Robert
No, the
Livingston.
45.
The 45. So what was the conversation around the album? You were doing this for the Wild Apache label?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Robert.
So that may I ask you,
Yeah.
Robert,
But Robert did already have that.
in my head?
Yeah.
So the album was released
On the Wild Apache.
Wild Apache.
But if you also look on the album, it's produced by Mr. Maraj and Robert Livingston.
I see that, because I look on it.
Yeah.
So there was some Columbia talk around the album. Is that a factor, a
All right, so that now,
rumor?
we're not going to talk about that
Okay.
right now. You know what I'm saying?
But the album come out.
Album come out
And
and
the
do
Wild
well.
Apache.
And do well on the Wild Apache.
Okay. And in doing well, were you compensated to mirror the success of the album? Or you not touch that neither?
Well, we can't talk about that too.
Okay.
Because, yeah,
Okay.
we not touch that.
We not touch that.
Yeah.
But so that now was your first album?
Let me see now if that my first or me on the first album.
Or the album with Olive?
This one I try to remember
Mia
if at the
from
same time.
Capricorn.
For the same time.
And me.
I think, what that?
Curtain Lizard.
I think in the same time period, you know. I think
did-
so
I
because
think-
I think in the same time I do a me.
Right, so and me you did for Capricorn, that
Yeah.
Olive.
It's the album of me. I host the album, you know.
Also.
And I get paid. So I just
Do
that.
some work.
Yeah.
I think you have 2 other albums if the research holds
Yeah.
up. I think you have Rough Cut
And Yaga
and Yaga.
Yeah. Yaga, I do for
Yaga.
Yeah.
Who you did that for?
Do that for and producer named Bobby Chrisas.
Okay, and you did Rough Cut for who?
I don't remember how we do it for right now, you know.
Yeah.
But because the other album there was the album out there.
Okay.
Because Rough Cut was a mix.
Okay.
One from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, then
Yeah.
pick up and put together.
Yeah, I know you're a rebel you so far. But
See.
listening to you now, it sounds like you're a rebel no good.
Well, I go to Rebel, I'm a Rebel now, nothing. But to each his own. He must know. Can I never ever book me for Rebel Salute?
Never?
To the Rebel.
Hold on, as in you never do rebel salute?
One time he booked me back in the days.
Okay.
But I never get to make it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now we are doing the interview, yeah. We want to know artists like me. I want to book for Rebel Salute when I was the man. To the Rebel.
So,
Hear that?
all things kind of fall apart with the rebel. Because the rebel you so far.
The Rebel are good. I don't know.
Okay.
Because I'm a man really pushing, you know.
You used to run rebel, you used to run silk, run the whole vibration.
The whole vibration was that. I remember back in the days I went to that show they were doing, I don't know what name, but I know I'm going to show the country with Garnets, Rebel, Papa Biggie. And then before them saluting I start.
Okay.
Popular Garnets thing, I'm not to recall.
Okay.
You understand? Youth and Green.
Youth and Green.
Youth and Randy.
Christian Soldiers.
I probably had that other thing there. I was there.
No, so the crew was called Christian Soldiers.
At that
I
time,
think.
yeah.
Okay.
But to the Rebel, if you check myself and dig deep and find out, hey, how come you don't have Apache and Rebel Salute?
I mean that at the show where Yasa Safari then you used to keep Yasa used to keep for Garnet Silk.
Probably I tell you, but the
Probably.
first one we didn't keep.
Okay, you were there.
I was there. But I know if I saw them call it that time, they call me hot them time, they just come perform.
Yeah.
I never hear them big up Papa Biggie, because I'm there too.
Papa Biggie.
Yeah.
Before we pick up some other things, you spend some time in Linstead.
Yes, my brother. That's another journey. You go big up man like Lenny, Frankie Joe, Luke and Captain Bieber, because I'm a part of the journey. Yeah, man, I down at Lindsay there, man, for a son named King Ashanti.
King Ashanti.
I run the whole of down there.
King Ashanti and a Jigsy father son?
No.
No, okay.
At time Jigsy probably there at school, probably more out of East there.
Okay.
I'm doing that.
You know him father there and son.
Yeah,
I
man,
think
that
I'm
is-
a Bower Bank still. But okay, King Ashanti, were you the only artist on the son?
He was the stable DJ.
Oh, he was a stable DJ.
On the sound. Now we have artists like some youth now. Flanky dead now. Rest in peace. You have Ghost. No singer ghost.
okay,
He was
okay,
ghost
okay.
long time, you know.
Okay.
Let's call it, man, not a big singer, but he was area.
There was a ghost before.
Yeah, I want DJ named Beanie Dan.
Being a
You
Dan.
know about Beanie Dan?
Probably, I'm not sure.
He record for Germany already too.
Okay. So much shame in our business, brother. You
Being
know,
a Dan.
always everybody has that.
True, being
Okay.
a Dan.
Maybe me hear it before, not sure. Okay. So Linstead was the base at one point in time.
At one point.
Which part of the journey that drop in though?
That drop in before my boss, you know.
Before your boss?
Yeah.
Okay, so that after school, after Calabar and
after
such.
that, yeah. But that sound there, Lindsay was my place for a while.
The place.
Yeah, man, because down the south, the whole of the man them work at the market and my youth them.
Okay.
Everywhere, dance black everywhere.
Yeah.
Richie from Tower Hill. So, Lindsay is a part of my journey. I live down my time for about a couple months, you know.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
All right, hear this now. Me da Linstead, right? If the man them know originally how Linstead run, you have pay man to set up on the front, pants length, Clark's booty. But I don't know if everything they go on now.
Well.
Saying, but
Yeah.
that time was the thing. Market manager run down there. You see? And then now you have a restaurant they call on upper deck. Brother have the bar up and thing. At my place now, me eat lunch, me eat breakfast, lunch, everything free. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
At your place of
And seriously, the man give me that, say, yo, we do one dance and the man beat up there. And the man say, yo,
At your places.
then we start carrying B-boy and them man, then Flanky Joe, Luke and up there. So we get breakfast, lunch and dinner, you know,
Okay.
up the scene.
Yeah, president.
It's some run Linstead for a while, all boat down there.
Yeah. All the songs that you release at Penthouse, because most of your hit songs, except Girl Punk Consignment
Father and son.
and Father and Son, were Penthouse songs. How are things really publishing and royalty around those songs?
I wouldn't say so great, but no. Some slide.
Okay.
Some slide.
But some things are in place?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means,
Mm.
German, me need to see you. Saying, for die hard. Yeah, seeing.
Yeah, man. Some of the other songs like Jode, I think you did Jode for Jammies.
Yeah, John.
John.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's another thing too, you know. Me tell you I used to pan this stuff.
Yeah.
Jammies want an album with me.
Yeah, and Jonah Cat.
No, he talk to me about the album first. Right? And then he cancel me and say, yo, I want an album with you and Jonah Cat, you know. It's all right. And my boss, Jonah Cat, my boss sometime.
Okay.
It's all right. Grow on a king. Because if anyone know Jammies run, you can't go to Jammies place and say a star, you know. You have to stay out.
Yeah, we see it everyone.
Yeah, you have to stay out that door. So I forward now, I'm a star. So I grow on now, I'm the king there, you know, and King I say, yeah, man, you know what I say? I want to do an album, yeah, and Jonah Cat. But at this time, I never know a clash, I want to clash the album.
When you say me that, I figure that.
You see what I say? So I say, all right, King. So what you say? Because I always have a last word to say. When you're done time, I say, so what you say? I wait for you to say.
Yeah.
I must say. I think I don't fly out.
Okay.
I say, when you come, you want to find something now, and when you come forward. Yeah, I say, King, you know, when I forward, we talk.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I really do the album film still, you know?
Right.
When I forward. But one day, John called me. I think I go the following week. And John called me one evening. Because I go back to John King on the day, you know? I said, I want a song, you know? I said, come here, not Vice George for John, you know?
Okay.
I don't know if King would have been say, yo, I'm supposed to start film thing and I go vice him son. But that's how you go. I vice the song and just go away. You know what I mean?
So the album never materialized?
No, it never materialized. Because we get to find it down the road now. So it's a clash album you want.
Right.
You see? And you can't vice album and turn it a clash album. You have to prepare for clash.
Yeah, man, you say your voice, man, them as a clash thing,
As a
so
clash.
man, them know what
Yeah.
go on.
That never manifests.
Think you did work with Steely and Clevey. Think you have something on the Giggy. And I know the song I
All
part about my
right.
head.
Let me tell you that one now. You name Woman for Real.
Woman for real.
Yeah. It's when Giggy rhythm close, you know. When all the hit song up on there already, you know. Mama and all them stand there. But I found them time there. I'm a forward and steal it. Anthony Redrose. Tell Steely, say, yo, me there. Man say, but it close with all the rhythm, so steal it right down.
Okay.
On the mixing lab, and say, yo, we have to find a space to put up on. No matter what.
Okay.
And we record the song. He put out 2 cuts. He put out like a semi-hip-hop cut.
Right,
Release
because
a
one of them
foreign,
kind of different-ish,
Yeah.
different vibration
Yeah.
from the original gig if you
He put it that way there.
Okay.
Even a song my voice in Germany a rough cut and do 2-way.
Rough cut. Oh.
2-way too.
Yeah, I think you also recorded for Bobby Digital.
Yeah, man, Bobby. Actually, I record for all of the people,
All of them.
a star, a big star.
And then
And the same thing with Bobby.
with Bobby.
I up all of when him, I up all
All
of
of
the
them
them
rhythm, yeah, man.
Done
yeah,
too.
Yeah.
And Bobby used to me forward and say, yo, you have to give me a song on this. I saw come here and up voice a song on it. You know what I say?
Yes.
So like some close thing and me have to dip on it. He just like me have to dip on it.
You were on top of your game in the 1991, especially
Same.
into 1992.
Going up
But
on
then you left.
Actually, you are going now, in the time in that now. 93, 94. Can you notice some of the on Dave Kennedy label?
Right. Madhouse.
Madhouse. And them you rate me bad. But we kind of figure out, say, in a time period, say, producers make it look like, say, you need them and them don't need you. And me kind of figure out to myself, say, it's a balance. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
After I start flying off foreign, now I figure out that and say, watch out. Them need we just as how we need them. You see it? But anyway, I go foreign and tell them circle over. Do some 1 and 2 thing. And I turn it into a family thing.
Oh, okay.
I get comfortable. Because I remember I tell you I want to go foreign. And I go foreign and I live a foreign. The place I'm going to do the first show, and then I'm going to live in.
Canada.
Yeah. And family, kids.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And grandkids and still I do 1 and 2 thing. But we leave the thing for a good while.
Okay.
You understand? Because upon the next interview, I get that question, you know. So why I leave the space like that?
Right.
But sometimes you let go the space and you never realize the space
Closing.
closing, so you take a stock. See, yeah?
I move on.
I move on.
We know what they
See, a real thing, man, a real thing.
We know what they there. Yeah.
But we still do over the place, they do a shotting this, or shotting
Yes,
this, or
yes.
shotting this.
I
you know.
understand.
Yeah.
So you never come out of the music.
No, I never
You
come
just
out
never
of
do a yard per
Never
se.
do a yard. And check the levels, it's when I check the levels, bigger. It's a good and a bad thing.
Okay.
But I check it. One time I say it's a bad thing, but it's also a good
Good
thing.
thing.
You understand?
Yeah. For the sound man them, we are look dub plate and the promoters them don't know if you find you, or them find you.
All right, Instagram, Apache Scratchy. Facebook, Apache Scratchy. YouTube, Apache Scratchy.
Yeah.
Everything is Apache Scratchy.
Sound man, and love numbers still. Enough. Speaking about Rebel though, you have a story to tell.
Yeah,
It's a
me
collaboration. A one song you Rebel though?
One.
One song. Yeah, you do collaborate General Degree,
Yeah,
Peter Rankin,
yeah.
Tanya Stevens. What kind of role you play, if any, with Tanya emergence in the space?
Well, I remember in the days when Tanya Stevens, big up myself, Tanya Stevens. She would roll with me, you know. Bring her a couple of studio, come and bring her come to and vice Tapazuki.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So I left a partner to say she can say if me play a role.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay, no problem.
Big up Tanya.
Yeah, the Peter Rankin collab, the creator. Well, one I don't know if you do anymore. We talk about Ed Robbins already. Girls, Zane, with, and you do other collaboration. We said General. What is true? No General Degree name.
I think a rough cut, you know.
Rough cut.
I don't quite remember, a long time.
And you do collab with other people in the
Frankie
space.
Paul.
Frankie Paul.
Yeah, man.
Zane, Mr.
Upton
Gregory Isaac,
James.
Upton James.
Yeah. And Dennis Brown too.
Mr. D Brown to one of them people.
Tapazuki sang them there.
Tapazuki?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapazuki.
So all about collaboration on that.
Yeah, man, I have one for collab, man. More to me, I remember right now.
Yeah.
Therefore, look up on them and see them.
I said that we said this, we asked this. Is there anybody we never work with collaboratively where you don't mind mash up one rhythm with?
Chronics,
Chronics.
Business Signal. You know, I'm out there.
So
And you know, culture tea, I'm a spar,
culture
so
tea.
yeah.
But then love a vibe with you and something to see me do, even though I never work out. Junior Cat, man. For some reason, I kind of feel a vibe.
You know,
there. That's what
I
I'm
really
saying.
talk, you know.
Feel a vibe the
Because
same way.
that talk about the other day too. Since
Yeah,
me
man.
there.
Yeah, man.
Because my brother, you know.
We do your power,
Yeah,
we do your
my
link,
brother,
is it?
man, my brother.
Because I feel a vibe. I say, yeah, culture
I
as
really
well.
talk, you know.
Yeah, man, as me say, I
really
you know,
talk,
for
my
some
brother.
reason, it kind of, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Me, I feel a vibe.
Hey, Jonah, you hear that? We're up on the same page to, to teach him come down, seal the deal.
Yeah. You have a daughter who is also in music.
Yeah. Yeah, man, she She did an album for Universal Record too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Rianja?
Rianja, and she was
She
third.
did an album for Universal. Oh, yeah? And she was?
She was third in the Canadian Idol.
Oh, yeah. I think I
See.
see that on your page, on
Yeah,
YouTube, the one
man.
at the time
Yeah,
for you.
man.
Okay, so real talent then, man.
Yeah, man, real talent too. My son do look a rapping too.
Okay.
You know? So,
Yeah.
You know.
Are you a manager or you just a guy there?
Well, right now she have finished up university now.
Oh, okay.
Actually, she done university right now. Yeah, man,
Nice,
everything
man.
on it, and brother.
Congrats, man.
Yeah, man.
Like the youth them a do well, man.
Yeah, man.
I like that.
Concord in Montreal.
Okay, nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
So, this is why the gap, a part of the gap, that
Family.
family. And then we get comfortable to my brother. Because as we tell you, I don't want to go further.
Yeah, you're rich.
I'm a rich, so I'm going to set it.
Yeah, but every time the America, every man want to go, brother. Oh, Canada capture you.
Listen this, remember, at the beginning, I tell you, say, I go to Canada for the first show, and it didn't happen.
Right, okay.
All right? I go all about the US, you know? I go all about the England, Europe, and I come back and live in Canada.
Okay. Yeah.
You saw just set it up.
I just see for second for you.
And then I don't regret it, my brother, because New York nice and them places, everywhere nice. But I find myself come say, yo, yeah.
Yes, so you're
I
most
stuck there, yes, sir.
comfortable.
You know what I mean? Because God bless me in a way where me okay.
I'm glad to hear that, man.
A blessing, man. Because teacher, you have to know it, you know. I tell the man them nowadays. I think it's experience when you go out there. And then you get to understand, say, hey, I saw the music for going on. This and this and this and this. You understand? Because I'm a man never force it. They talk about all type of show. You know, some of the force me. They say, yo, you know what, them have to call me one day. I never work sting like that, you know. I'm never interested in that sting.
Never work sting?
I'm never interested in that sting. At that time.
At that time?
No. You see it? But I know also the work where you put in, it will gravitate one day and push out. Because see there, things are go on me all song them still. But don't worry about don't play too.
You know, don't play it yet, man. Hold on. That's the word, man. That's what I think. Yeah.
Teacher, I see you. You're the greatest.
Why,
I never see a man do it. No. I watch you think about a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I real talk, I tell you, man.
Drop the number them now.
But I want to find out.
Drop what you have.
All right, number 416-702-4490.
Run it again.
416-702-4490. That's one of them. 647-400-4799.
Oh, that's the next Canadian number.
That's the Canadian number. So now we will find the other one now.
No, man, the two numbers are good, man. As long as you answer when the people then call.
Yeah, man, we answer, man. And more number there about, you know, but...
You ever look back on the, I know you say moving to Canada is a good and a bad thing, but you ever look back on it and say, you know, if it did probably stay on the ground, the name would then still probably bigger in the space?
Yeah, man. Then I try to show, you know, if I stay a penthouse, some guy in the space after me. They know that, you know, if I stay a penthouse record, listen to this. Space will be there, but after me leave. Because I have to hold that thing there. A serious thing. But as we say, you have to roll up because you start travel, you start see things and know things and get work and,
yeah,
you know. Because I'm a family structure person, you know. You know what I say? I might look young, but I'm up there. Saying, I have grandkids.
How many grands?
You want me to tell you?
Tell me, man.
17.
17, yeah?
17 grands.
How many youths?
10. 11, I'm a big son drop out.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that,
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Probably you know about it too, you know, where you never penetrate on my son.
Oh, okay. Side.
Rest in peace, Tigo.
You're still a record? Tigo. You're still a record? You're still a record?
Yeah, right now we're doing and we have something for do right now.
Okay.
New thing, you know?
Okay.
New thing right now, yeah. My own thing them though. Because right now we learn the business, people that stay in the camp with their family right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Everything we do now, camp. No ramping, camping.
Yeah?
Yes, teach them.
So the man do still find joy in the music?
But never leave the music, you know?
Never leave it.
All of it, you see me out arrange.
Right. Still.
Music.
Where
I'm going to come in the studio in my house and things.
Okay. Where are some of the places outside of the US and Canada where you go work? I know you probably go England go work and things.
Why I want a place that teacher? I want a place. And a whole place left for me go to.
Go. So which place where you not go yet where you say we really want to go work or show you, sir?
I want to go Africa.
Africa.
See, Japan.
Japan.
Couple places in Europe too. You know what I mean? Switzerland, but you see Japan, not Japan, Africa, India. Yeah, because I kind of have something in the pipeline with some Indian.
Big market, that's another brother.
Some Indian singer right now.
I have cousin them, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I you know the thing, teach them. We are here now, that usually here then, you know. We are here from me right now. It's the same thing.
Same thing.
Same vice here.
The voice not change the show, man.
Down,
The
man,
voice
that
not
time,
change
yeah.
the show. The voice not change
See?
the show. Yeah, before we cut out, they got a couple lines out of father and son now.
Okay. Me are the son of Super Cat and the daddy, me are the wicked Apache. Oh, you hear that? Me are the son of Super Cat and the daddy, me are the wicked Apache. No anything try fi test it, I got the damn berry. Scalp off your head top and hang it on a tree. Teach them. Message reach them. How you feel when teach them shuffle and deal out no fail? When we shuffle and deal out no fail? When teach them shuffle and deal out no fail? Under that, Bangkok, say Bangkok, Bangkok, Bangkok. Put the 16, then we have it pan. And the 4, 5, 7 we got it on. Well, watch you now. Bust out of the pack, bust out of the pack. Tell them teach them, bust out of the pack, bust out of the pack, bust out of the pack. Tell them teach them, bust out of the pack. Him no S, him no queen, him no spade, him no jack. Teach them yo, you saddle like a rock. Anywhere that they teach them go. Anywhere that they teach them go. Anywhere that they teach them go. The girls them a follow. See it there, and more to come.
That's a true. brother. Big up yourself, you know. It's a joy. Sit down in the man's presence. Here's one of the man where did a clap back in the days, man. One of the man who helped set the rubber dub stage. One of the man who helped set the recording stage of the thing, brother. You understand? One of the man who have successes right round. See Jamaican number, it has 876-469-5486.
Numbers plus numbers.
Yeah, man. So, you can't find him.
Teach them, listen to this. If the man probably only for one still or that. It's not, it's not work out here though. A job point you, a job call you know. Because some, I sit down and pray the thing and I say, yo,
give thanks, man.
how you come by this?
Brother, I want to story that for you next time.
Right, the pray thing and I say you're the greatest brother.
Right. As we say, we don't know what greatest is, but we have to do some work and we enjoy it.
Well, the work
You
we
understand?
do
And
is great.
one of the joy, I mean we earn from it, but one of the joy we get from the thing is a lot of artists will kind of contribute meaningfully to the thing. People don't really look upon them people no more, brother. And we're there to remind people, say, before X man, you did have this man. Then my man help set the thing, and that's where the thing I come from. And then man have to get them respect and them do it.
Go some man.
We get joy out of that.
That's it.
You understand me? I say we also get a joy when the artists them call we and say teach. From we do the interview, the phone will stop ring. Just stop go airport, we leave a dub studio and the thing balance. You understand? It's a joy.
It's a joy. And it's good for the artists too.
Yeah,
man. Let me big up some people for me left. You get that, teacher?
We are some man.
All right, mommy, big up yourself, Mama Merv. Love her like more than cook food. Endlessly. Watch this now. Big up Ernie. Juliet in Long Island. Jennifer in Queens. My wife, Sonia. I can't even say the amount I love. It's dead there. Because he's a family man. Yaga, a.k.a. Delano. Bambi. Choco. All of my kids and my grandkids. I don't know your name, you know that's how the thing go. But Mr. Love and respect and big up my wife again. Sonia, big up yourself.
Lady Sonia?
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Oh, there.
We're there, though.
Yeah,
and their yard again.
I the number this we have, right?
Yeah, man, you can't get culture having numbers.
Yeah,
you have
I lock number on my phone, man. I lock the number on my phone, man. Yeah,
man. Just
man.
lock in the number and when the thing ready, you will know. Yeah,
I go there for Junior Cat thing, the 20th April. That great love now, whole heap of love now, man. You know, excess amount can't count, man. You can't count, man. I tell you. You know what I mean? Come up. I pray that thing.
We appreciate the support, bro. We appreciate it. And the viewers, everything work, you know.
Well,
so
job we are doing, man. Job bless the eye, man.
Give thanks.
Blessings. Bless the eye, you know what I mean?
Blessings, art of love.
See it?
We're there.
Say nothing.